So the moles of glutaraldehyde of the 90% is 1.67. It's asking about the ratio of the glutaraldehyde to water. So, well, my answer is so the 30 mils you minus the volume of the glutaraldehyde will give you 28.33 ml of water. So answer is the ratio of glutaraldehyde to water is 1.67 is to 28.33. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, I don't know, I got 1.7, but yeah, I got 1.7, but how I did it, it's almost the same way, but I'm not sure either. I do the C1V1
Yeah,
and the C2, and then I use 5% times the 30 mil equal
correct.
90. So I use 150 divided by 90, and I got the 1.7. So I'm
We
not
have the
sure.
same answer,
Yeah,
Ate.
it's still, yeah,
My answer is 1.67 ml.
glutaraldehyde.
Yeah,
But it's
Yeah.
asking
asking
about
is
the
the
ratio.
ratio.
Yeah, so we minus the total volume of 30 mils minus 1.67 will give us the mils of water,
Okay.
which is so the ratio now of glutaraldehyde to water is 1.67 is to 28.33 of
28.33.
water.
That's the
So
ratio.
Yeah, please.
28.33?
Yes. So that's
38,
the
you mean?
ratio.
38,
Yeah, ratio of glutaraldehyde to water.
38.33. I got to go over that one then, because I guess mine is wrong then.
No, I'm not really sure, but I'm just
first part
basing
I
on the
got it.
30 mLs of 30 total volume of 30 mLs of the solution. Number 3, I don't have an answer. I'm so confused with the question. Milligrams percent? Or is this a typo? I don't know.
This is
It's
the
not a
weight
typo.
It's not?
Apparently, no.
Yeah, si Kanto Tuno po.
I've spoken with Miss. I remember she gave us an explanation for a question
Yeah.
similar to that
Go
for
ahead,
number 10.
Santiago. Go ahead.
Hold on. Let me pull it up. I have it in my camera all here. I took a little picture of
Yeah,
what you
go
were meant to
ahead
do.
and show us because I missed this. Milligrams percent.
Where is it?
So what's your formula here?
So what you want to do, from my understanding, where is this question? Right. So you want to prepare 3 liters of 0.75 milligrams percent. What I got from this was what you want to do is you want to turn that 0.75 milligram percent into a fraction. So percent means, something out of 100. So you want to
Yeah.
put
So
0.75 on top
Yes.
and 100 on the bottom, right? And then as for the 3 liters, let me just see here.
yeah.
Hmm.
So you convert first the 0.75 milligrams percent to fraction.
Yes. So it would turn out to be 2 milligrams over 100. And then
2
I'm trying to.
milligrams over 100. Yeah.
So you put the 75 over the 100, is that what it is?
Yes, because it's
Yeah,
the
2
milligram
over
percent represents
100.
So 0.75 divided by 100?
Yes.
No,
So
2 over 100. Is that the correct?
How did you get
0.
the 2?
0.75 over 100. I'm looking
Okay,
at
got
this
it.
other question.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yes.
As for the 3 liters, I'm not too sure how to convert it, but you need to convert that one into a fraction as well. And then you need to multiply both, and it gives you the answer.
No,
Apparently,
you can use it as a
You
3
convert
liter to
ml.
ml. So you can cancel out your ml
Yes.
unit.
oh,
And
true. So
you
then
will
you.
get the
Oh, yes,
milligram.
Yeah.
yes.
I got 3,000 milligram. I don't know if
Yeah,
it's right.
that's what you
Yeah,
use.
that's
Uh-huh.
one.
Okay.
That's the one you got?
Yeah.
So the answer is 22.5 ml.
22.5.
And you multiplied the 3,000 milliliters by the 0.75 over 100.
It's like 0.75 over 100. You can get the
Huh?
total of 0.0075,
Mhm.
Oh,
and
no,
then
yeah.
times the 3000 ml, and then you
Yes.
can get the value of 22.5. I
Mm,
don't
okay,
know for
great.
everybody, but that's my answer.
But where is the 100?
Yeah, I got you. I got you. So the calculation will be like this: 0.75 milligrams over
Mhm.
100
Mhm.
is
One.
equals to X. We're looking for the solute equals to X over 3,000. We're converting the
Oh,
liters to ml. Will give us an answer of 22.5.
I see. Okay.
3 equals 32.5.
22.5.
22.5. I gotta do this one.
But
Just one
it's
second.
asking
I don't know.
solute. So
Look,
what is the unit here? Milligram, right?
ml.
they're
How
milliliter,
much
I think.
solution of
Wait,
calcium chloride?
Okay.
just to make
Um,
sure the formula before we get the 22.5 ml is
yeah, I'm
X
thinking
equals
of that too.
0.75 over 100 times 3,000 milliliters. Is that correct? That the
No, it's gonna be like this: 0.75 milligram. Verna was correct. Over 100 is equal to X. We're looking for the
equals
solute
3,000, yes.
over 3,000.
So then you
So
pass over the 3,000
yeah,
to the
point
other side, yeah.
75, yeah, times
So 100
3,000
times 3,000, yeah.
divided by 100.
Okay, 22.5. Yep. All right, cool.
So 0.75 times the
Divided.
So this
3,000
is, yeah, am I, I'm sorry.
22.50 divide by 100.
Okay, so I got you. This is volume per volume, yeah? That's why it's in
22.5.
ml.
Got it. 22.5 ml.
Yeah, ml.
Yeah,
Because
got
this
it.
is volume per volume.
Yeah. So it's that and that. Okay, I got it. So that number 3.
Okay. I don't have answer on number 4 either. It bugs me about the 9 moles to 15
I'm
moles.
pretty sure you,
I
since the
say,
moles represent, oh, sorry, were you saying
go
that?
ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Well, from my understanding, the 9M just treated as another concentration value because that's what molarity is, or it's
Mhm.
like it represents grams or something like that per liter.
Mhm.
So you just plug those values into the concentration, or at least that's what I think you do. I'm not too sure.
Is still the formula is C1V1 equals C2V2?
Yeah. However, the thing that confuses me is I feel like
Me
I
too.
don't know about my answer either because they literally give you the final concentration in the question if you were to follow like the molarity units, right? That's why I'm not
Mhm.
too sure.
Just
Feels like a
consider
trick
it as
question.
C1V1.
So like it's the concentration is millimole per liter for molarity.
Yeah, it's just and
And
like
the
that's the unit.
100 mils, yeah, 100 mils, we have to convert it to liters.
Is that, is
Actually,
the answer 60 mil?
yeah, that's my answer too.
So I
60
take the
ml.
100, yeah,
60
I take
ml.
the 100 and I times it by the 9
Or
divided by the 15.
Mine for my formula is like 9m times 100 ml
Yeah,
yeah,
equals to 5m
15.
yeah
15
15.
m.
15, sorry, and then times the v2, and then times then 900. I
Yeah,
got 900 over 15. I got
It's
60
60. Yeah,
ml.
60. That's it.
The
So
part
it's the
that
So
same
that's
as
the
confuses.
v.
C1V1.
yeah, that's correct. C1V1 equals C2V2.
Yeah.
And what will be the final concentration. So this that the unit will be millimole per liter. Is it millimole per liter?
I didn't get the final concentrate. I don't know how to do that one.
Oh, yeah, so the
Yeah,
part that confuses
we have to make the unit.
Yeah, I get confused with that.
I put
Some-
is it ml, right?
Well, I just put M because it's the final constant. Like the part that confuses me is we have the V one
Concentration. Asking
missing.
about the concentration, Verna. So it's really
It's asking for C2, which we have in the
yeah,
question, which is really
concentration,
confusing
not
me.
volume. Yeah.
Yeah, like we saw for the first volume, but then I double checked
So
my answer. I
we
plugged in
all-
all the
It's
values.
yes.
M. So this one is M.
But this the 9M, 15M will be crossed out. So the unit that will be left behind is ml. So I think we have to convert 60 to liter because that's the unit for molarity. The unit for molarity of molarity
Looking for that.
is well, it's millimole per liter.
How'd you get the
Oh, no,
millimoles per
sorry,
liter though?
moles. Huh?
How'd you get the millimoles per liter?
It's not moles per liter.
So M
That's
slash L.
That's the official official units for molarity.
Are we still on 4?
Yeah, we're still on 4.
Okay, all right.
So yeah, I got 60 ml too.
The
But from
molarity calculation, you you put the gram divided by the liter equal the 5. Okay, I think this is an example.
I based on the example that Miss Munmun gave us the last time.
Yeah.
If you have guys, do you remember the slides that she sent to us, like this?
yeah,
Which one? I can't see it.
yeah, me
This
too.
one. Do you remember the one with the colored? There is an there is an example here that the given is 1000 ml equals to like that, and
1
there is
liter.
and there is equals to 1 m, and the unit she put is m.
Yeah, that's correct. Because 1 mole is equivalent to 1 liter. I have that too.
Let me see the paper again, because I don't remember. Let me see that, Verna.
You know that the preparation of solution, like she him. If you can
Okay,
see,
okay.
wait, where's that?
Yeah, I'll check for that. Thanks.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
We'll
wait,
check that
Okay.
too.
not clear.
Let me check that.
With the serial dilution picture, you can see that one
Let me just
above
try
of that one.
Yeah, because I was looking into the D2 how, and I saw something, but let me use hers.
So I base my computation in her example.
Okay, so how did you
So
calculate that?
yeah. You step by step, Verna.
Yeah.
So it's C1V1 equals C2V2.
And then 9m, which is the C1, times 100 ml, which is the V1, and then
Yeah,
equals
we have 60.
60. Instead of ml, we can put 60 m. The unit would be m.
For the C2?
Oh, the C2 is equals to 15m times V2.
Yes.
And
Okay.
then the total of the 9m times 100 ml is 900
Mhm.
over to 15, which
Yes.
is equals to V2. And then the total of the 900 over 15 is 60. This one,
Yes.
I'm a bit confused if it's ml or m, but in her example, it's m. She used the m, the unit m.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm so confused with this one.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Me too. I'm confused really. Okay, thank you, Berna. Let's move on.
Thank you. I use mHel for some reason, but if it's M, or do you do hem because it's 9-hem solution? I don't know. Okay, let's move on.
Let's move
Number,
on.
yeah, number 5.
Number 5. Again, it's a C1V1. C2V2 is my
Yeah.
calculation.
Yeah.
And the 100% times V1, I always just cross
Yeah.
it to the right side. But it's
Mhm.
still the same, just like mom says.
So your answer is
So
15 ml?
15 ml, yeah,
Yeah.
amount of hydrochloride used. And number 6 is still C1V1, C2V2.
1.3
So
1.3
it
liter
says, yeah, we don't have to
convert.
convert anymore, yeah. So it's still
So
C1V1,
1.3.
1.3 liters, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Number 7, this.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. When I'm gonna put a question mark on 4, and I don't hear Ing Hong. So
Wishing home.
yeah, we'll answer later when we finish, right? Put a question mark there.
Yeah.
She said that she will be absent for today.
Is
Ying
she?
Hong?
Yes.
Okay, Yusra, what's your answer on number 4?
No, I'm not. I'm confused actually. On number 4, the question doesn't seem right even. For
Yeah?
me, for number 4, yes, you mean you're talking about which one? The concentration, right? It's even asked
Yeah, the
about
most.
concentration.
You know what?
Isn't concentration supposed to be like in percentage?
Millimole per liter is the unit for molarity.
Yeah.
Or moles per liter? No, I have to go through
I think we
again.
should move on.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's just move
Yeah,
on.
me too. I'm not sure about number 4.
Yeah. So we are on number 7.
Yeah.
Yes.
So number 7, it's we need to have 4 bottles of 225 ml each. So we have to times that to 4. 225 times 4 to get the total amount of
Yes.
water. I'm sorry,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
900 ml.
Yeah.
Divide by 10.
And then we 10% over 100 to put it in decimal is equals to the weight of the solute over the total volume of 900 ml.
Wait a minute here. You put the 10%, put the 10 over 100?
900, the total
I got
volume.
9. I got 90, so I'm just kind of wondering where I miss.
Yeah, I got 92.
That's your answer, I would say.
Yeah.
The 90.
Yes.
Yeah, 90
Yeah.
grams.
Okay, so it's 900 divided by 10.
Hold on. I have two
You
calculations.
can
here.
use 2 different solution, but the answer would be the same.
Same,
Right.
90 grams. Yes.
90. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's the the answer.
Okay. Good.
So, or you can you can also do 10% over 100 times weight solute over 225, and the final answer that you will get is 22.5
Multiply it to
grams
4.
times 4.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, times 4 is 90 grams.
Yeah. That's what I
Okay,
did.
number 7.
8 now.
Number 8.
Number 8. Mhm.
Number 8 is still the same. C1V1 equals C2V2. So 6 liters of 7% equals 8% of unknown amount of hypochlorite. So the answer is 5.25 liters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amount of, but it did not specify here if we're going to convert it to ml, so we'll keep it as it is. Liters amount of hypochlorite needed.
5.25.
5.25 liters.
Hold on 1 second. Was it 6 liter, right? Times 70? Hold on.
7, only 7.
Because I have
Not
50, I have 52.5, so I'm kind of wondering where did I, hold on. So it's, 7. I have 7.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're
7.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Lord. Kind of wondering, why do I get so high? Okay. 7 times the 6. Okay. Got it. Go ahead.
Yeah. Then number 9. My can I say a percent here? Percent by weight. My calculation. 15% of hypochlorite in water. So we have 15% divided by 100 to convert it to decimal equals X over, wait a sec,
I think you can also use
X over 20
C1V1.
because we only have 20 mils, yeah?
I use mine
it's 90.
C1V1.
Yeah.
For me, it's 90 times 20 equals
Yeah.
15
C1V1.
times. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Yeah,
This is
Yeah, I have
C1V1 too.
8. I have 8. 1800 divided by 15 is 120.
That's true.
Because you
120
have
or
15% times V1 equal 90% times 20. I don't know if I'm right. And then I got the V1 equal 1800 divided by 15 equal 120. I don't know if
Yes.
120
Yes,
ml of
that's right.
15% hypochlorite will be needed.
actually that's my first answer, 120. But it says here only there are only 20 mils. Only 20. So how can we have the 120 if we have only 20 ml of the 90% stock solution?
What did you get? What answer did you get, guys?
Because you need to
So my
dilute it with
answer
water
is
so
we
you can
could,
get,
yeah,
you need to
Santiago, go
dilute it
ahead.
with, sorry, so you need to dilute it. That's why you get the greater ml. Because you have 90%, right? But you want to dilute it down to 15%. So naturally, the more water
but
you
the,
add,
yes, and there is only 20 ml of that. So we will concentrate on the 20 ml. What we have is 20 ml only of the 90%.
yes.
So
But with
we
the stock
will,
solution, we also add the water, so we can make it
Yes. So
more.
it,
That's why it became 15%.
it
This
increases
once again
the
will
volume and it decreases, yeah. Sorry, Lee?
Yeah, that's
be
right.
one
When you
one
dilute it,
equals
the percentage will be lower. That's
The
why we
volume
have
would
the
increase.
15.
you will
yeah,
just
we are,
C1V1 equals C2V2. So the ones will be the stock solution, and then you have to calculate the volume of water for the V2 of the dilution.
mm-hmm.
What's the answer you have, Luis?
Well,
I haven't worked on this. I really I really wish to give you an answer, but I haven't worked on it. But I know how to do them, like based on the questions.
so
Mine, my,
it's C1V1, C2 equals C2V2.
You will use that
Yeah.
formula, yeah.
That's what I use.
what I
Okay.
used mine C1V1, but I get the what I
120 ml.
no, my
Yeah, but
answer is different. Because I
Yeah.
use the
Oh,
stock
you-
solution is 90% for the C1, the concentration one. And then I'm looking for the B1. I don't know, but then
you already have
equals
your V1 though. You have 20 milliliters of it.
Yes.
this one.
The
And then you're
C1
trying
is
to figure out
90 and
how
the
much
V1
you,
is 20.
yeah,
So
So
I
you're trying
have
to figure
to
out.
change this one. Let me see.
So we figure it out
Yeah.
because we only have 20 mils. I'm not sure. That's my
Mhm.
first question also, but
Mhm.
the ml that we are looking for only is 120. So
Mhm.
maybe 120 over 20. I don't know.
I don't know that.
No,
Okay,
it's
guys.
120
Okay, so
So
milliliters.
we
let,
can
per
only
second.
make 6.
let me see. What did you guys put for C1?
It doesn't matter. Mine
Exactly.
is 15% times V1 equals 90% times 20
20. Yeah, it's the
ml.
same thing. It's the
Yeah.
same thing.
Yeah, so the amount is 120 ml.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the correct
And I
answer.
think this could be right because so now the total volume is 120 ml. And we're going to do the concentration is only the volume is only 20 mils. So we divide that 120 over 20
You wouldn't divide
is
it
equals to
because
6.
listen, the 90% 20 milliliters is the stock solution, but it's very concentrated, right? After adding the water and diluting it down to 15%, you'll end up with 120
Yeah.
milliliters of total solution. You know what I
Right.
mean? So the
Yeah.
the concentration goes down because you're adding water to it. So the volume goes up. You know what I mean?
But
Yeah.
the question, Santiago, is we are only working on 20 mils.
So
Like you're right,
Yeah.
it's 120 ml. That's the volume that we're supposed to add, but we have only 20 ml in the bottle
so when we
Exactly.
of the
But
dilute,
you add
that
we
water
the
to
always
that.
90%. We don't have the 120 ml in the bottle. We only have 20 ml.
20.
And
20.
then you turn it into 120
Yeah.
once you add the water in the
Yeah.
final
I
Yes, you
concentration.
think it's
dilute it.
120 minus 20. What can
No,
you
you don't
tell,
do 100.
Amina? You're also. It's 120 minus 20 or 120 divided by 20.
Why would you
I think
subtract or
it's
divide
6.
by 20?
So we can only make 6. One 20 divided by 20. Yeah, 6. 6 preparations. It will make 6. I don't know. 15%.
I don't know. My answer here is 3.33 ml.
I have an exact
3.33.
volume. Yeah, we cannot
Wow.
make the 120 because what we have is only 20 ml.
But then you add the water to it. You add
Yeah, you
100
dilute it.
milliliters
That's
of
why you
water
have
and you get
120 ml.
15%. You dilute it down.
Yeah.
You have
That's
your
why it
It's
dilution
has
been
back.
diluted. It's been diluted. So we now have
15%.
15%. We have already
Yeah, 'cause
that
you can't.
15%.
Yes, you need to make 15%. Like the question is asking you how much 15% can you make using only
It
20
will make
milliliters, right?
because
Yeah.
we only
Now, if
have
you
20 ml.
yes, we only have 20 ml, but you can't really decrease the concentration. Or hold on, how do I explain this? Like the only way to decrease the concentration is by diluting it further. So therefore adding more water, like increasing the amount of water to the amount of hypochlorite, if that makes sense. Because the total composition of it would be 15% hypochlorite, and then the rest would be water, compared to the
Yeah.
original stock solution, which is 90%, which is pure or almost pure hypochlorite, and only
It's almost
10%
pure.
water or whatever the other 10% is.
Let me see.
I agree with Santiago. I know exactly what Santiago is saying.
Yeah, me too.
That makes sense. That would be the way that I will do it.
So how do you do it then? You have to
It's
So
C1V1.
do
So you will
dilutions
C1V1. So
again.
you're given
You,
90%.
you guys
You're
tell
given
that
90.
Inghong is absent, but Inghong is present online.
Yeah, I saw her. I saw that we have 21 people, so she's here. She's
Where
online.
is Ying Hong? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Maybe she's busy. Yeah, you're given 90%, 20 milliliters of hypochlorite. So that's your initial concentration and volume, right? So you want to put 90% times 20 equals 15% times V2. From there, you want to go ahead and set up your equation. So in this case, it'd be 90 times 20 divided by 15. And if you were to solve that, that'd give you your V2, which would be 120 milliliters, which is how much solution you can make in total. How much 15% solution you can make in total using only 20 milliliters of hypochlorite.
Yeah.
And if you were
That's
to
correct.
multiply
All of
both
us
sides,
agrees. Yeah. I think, yeah, all of us agrees on that, Santiago.
Well, that's what I have, so I don't know, but that's why that's
So-
the answer I came up to.
So how many? So the total will be 120 mils, and we only have 20 mils.
but you're adding water to the 20 mil. Yeah.
120 over 20.
No, you're not dividing anything. Like if you were to multiply both sides, if you were to multiply 90 times 20, you'd get the same answer as if you were to multiply 15 times 120.
We're
Which
good
means
with
both
that,
sides are equal. We're
Santiago.
following.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're good with that. 120 mils is what we have. Is what is our answer.
Is how much
But
we
the
can make in
question
total.
is,
Yeah.
how much 15% will it make? So
Yeah,
okay,
exactly. That's the
I
answer.
think I got
120
it.
milliliters.
120 times 0.15.
Why would you
80?
multiply by? Oh wait. Oh, I see.
120
Times 15.
times 15 in decimal
Give
is
you 1800.
18. So
Yeah.
we can prepare 18 times of the 15%. I think that's correct.
I think you're just complicating it. It's 120 milliliters. I don't know. I think that's the answer. It makes the most sense to me because you dilute it further, you increase the volume, yeah, you decrease the percentage. You multiply both sides and they equal the same, which means you have the right, dilution.
Okay.
So
Guys, is it fair to say, put a question mark and leave it and keep going? Is it
Continue.
fair?
okay, let's go to number 10 then. This one I had no clue.
Is it fair to say that? Or we
Yeah.
still want to?
No, let's continue.
We put a big question mark and then ask Miss Mum what she think about it.
Oh, we
Or-
don't have time.
It's
Yeah,
our
we don't-
assignment, guys. So we cannot ask.
Yeah, it's an assignment. It's not a review.
Let's go to number 10.
Number 10, I think is the same C1 V1, V2. I'm not sure, but I got 70 UL.
Microliter. So
Yeah, that seems right. I got
again,
0.07 milligrams. So if you were to convert that to the UL, then yeah, I
microgram.
think we have the same answer.
My answer here is different.
Me too.
I convert the UL to UG first to get the
Yeah,
equal.
but
You can
And
do that
then-
too.
yeah, that's the one. Okay, so you do it by the 1000 times the, wait a minute here. Yeah. What I have is, okay, tell me how you do it, because I'm not sure, but I got the 70 UL by dividing 7,000 into 100.
It
So,
says express your answer in UG. So
In
you are
UG,
looking
correct.
for the
Oh.
microgram, right?
Yes.
So the given is 3,500 microliter, and you have to express that in microgram. You're going to get the equivalent of 3,500 microliter to microgram.
You guys are okay, or do you want to share your screen for any explanation or anything? If you have okay, because I don't have the assignment probably right now with me, and which page you are. If you guys are okay, I'm fine. If you have
we
any
were-
specific question,
we were wondering about
we
number
don't know if you-
9.
9.
Can you share your screen?
I'll share it.
We'll see
Yeah,
what.
share, Santiago.
I'll share it.
Let's start with number 4.
Number
Yeah,
four?
because
Okay.
I'm going to do quick and then I'll go back to the. Sorry.
How do I
Yeah.
share my screen again? Free.
Number 4
Oh,
is
there it is.
also
Anyone share the screen, please?
Yep, I'm
Santiago,
sharing it
you
now.
do it.
Yeah,
না,
so
এদের
the
বলেছি।
question we had
ও
was
না, এটা আমি বাবুকে দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি। সিআরে বলেছিল, সিআরে ফোন করে বলে দিয়েছে।
Number
Number
4?
4.
Continue.
না,
Yeah.
বলে দিলাম
number
করে
4 is the
দিয়েছি।
first question we had. Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah.
The first question we had.
Okay, so which one? If you prepare 100 ml of 9 molar solution of NaOH in water using 15 molar NaOH stock solution, then the concentration of the NaOH in the final solution, what is going to be?
All of us have the formula C1V1 is equals to C2V2, ma'am.
Okay, so what is that? C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2.
Yes,
So using 15 molar stock, you are using the 15 molar stock. Then it doesn't, and how much you are making? 100 ml. Okay,
Yes.
is equal to 9 molar times quotient. So 15 times 100 divided by 9. That you did that?
No,
We did the
9
opposite
times
way.
Opposite. 9
Times
molar
100.
times 100.
So here you have to understand. Here you
This one.
said how much, understand the question.
Mhm.
You are using 15 molar to make a final volume of 100 ml of 9 molar. Oh, sorry, you prepare 100 ml of 9 molar. Okay, so you are you have to make 9 molar, and it's good, the total volume is 100 ml, and you
Yeah.
are using 15 molar.
Yes.
So
Yes.
900 divided by 15. Do you think that?
9
60.
times.
Times 9.
Divide by 60. Yes,
Just
mate, you're right.
give me a
60,
yeah.
you're right.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
15 is equal to 900
Divide by 50.
60 ml.
That's
Just
it.
give me 100 ml of 9 molar solution, and it's in the final solution.
So we'll
Well,
be like
you
60 now, right?
Milliliters, but that gives you the initial
no,
volume. though.
no, 60 is prepare 100 ml of 9 molar solution. I am making 100 ml of 9 molar solution. 15 molar means 15 molar solution means 15 gram in 1000 liter. Okay.
1 liter, ma'am.
Yeah, that you have to consider, right? 15 gram
Oh.
in 1000 liter. Molar means that gram molecular weight in 1000 liter.
15. Okay, 1,000 liters.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you divide that.
15 by 9, right?
So 9 times 1,000. Okay.
Zero 0.9.
So when I'm reading the question, whatever I feel the question is wrong. It should not be the concentration because it's already giving you the final
Exactly, ma'am.
concentration,
That's
right?
what I was thinking.
You are
Yes.
making, yeah,
I am.
yeah. I just reading the question. So
Yeah, the question is
basically,
saying
they
right.
already give you that you are making a 9 molar of 100 ml, right? And from
Yeah.
where you are using 15 molar, right? So then it's going to be the how much volume you need from 15 molar to
From the
make
50 mol.
basically 100 ml of, yeah. So that's going to be 15. If you are using the C1V1
Will
straight,
be 60
15,
milliliters.
yeah,
Rest will be
900
water.
divided by 15 is a 60 ml. So you need
Yes,
60
miss.
ml, 60 ml plus 40
Yes,
ml. Okay,
six,
so
Right.
the question
60.
is
40
wrong. So so
water.
what you guys
hold-
do, okay, let me talk to you.
Santiago, please.
I am going to write that complaint to the D12. At the same time, everybody in your answer sheet with highlighted, you wrote that the question should be in the class had been discussed and the question is not right. It should be not the concentration. What is the volume?
Volume.
Volume. Okay?
Correct.
So write
Thank you,
that one.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
So
thank
it's
you.
Highlighted.
60, it's 60
ml.
ml.
Yeah.
So we're okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that means basically you have to take the 60 ml from the 15 molar NaOH
Right.
to make a
Okay.
total volume of 100 ml of 9 molar. So that means you are adding 40 ml of water or diluent. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Okay.
it's
Thank
60
you.
ml.
So the
Okay.
60 plus 40 equal the 100. That's what she's saying.
So, we will remove that concentration that mom says, and we
Yeah.
will.
No. Keep that one.
sorry.
Don't
Yeah,
keep that
okay.
one. Then you write a note there. It should not be the question is wrong. It should not be concentration. It should be the final volume.
Final
How much we
volume.
are taking
Okay,
from
ma'am.
the
Thank you.
15 molar. Okay.
Question
And I am
is,
going to write a note there and I'm going to send you the D12. Okay.
you
Okay,
should
ma'am.
be.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
We'll move
Thank
on,
you.
ma'am. We'll move on.
Okay. You move on. Okay. So I am going to back to.
Okay, miss.
Number 9, ma'am. Santiago.
Miss?
It's-
Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
yes.
yeah. It's there.
Yes,
So
that's right.
number 9, ma'am. Quite confused with that question too.
Miss, are you here? I think she left again.
I think she went back to the assignments. That's what she's saying, that she forgot.
Oh.
Yeah.
So let's
It's
move
okay.
on. Oh,
Okay.
there
You
she
guys
is.
move on. Yeah. No. You guys move on, and then I'll go into the back to the test.
Miss,
Okay.
is it okay if we could just confirm one thing with you because we're getting mixed
Okay.
answers
So it's
here
okay
on
now.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. And
but
number
just to
9.
confirm number 9. Yeah. Just to make
Yeah.
just to make sure we're all on the
So I
same
need to
page here.
prepare. My goodness.
Actually, ma'am, the assignment is more difficult than our exam.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
agree.
Stock
Yeah, I
solution
agree.
is 90%. It's only 90%. 50% will make. So 90%, and you have to make 15%, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
90%
How much 15% will it make?
I got 120 milliliters for the final answer. I followed C1V1,
That's what I got
and
too.
based on
Uh-huh.
dilution, it makes sense. The answer makes sense, right? So
Yeah.
How you did that, Santiago?
So what I did was I prepared C1V1. I put 90% times 20%, or 90% times
20%?
20 milliliters.
20
20
ml.
milliliters, I'm sorry. 90% times 20 milliliter, which is what we're given at the beginning, and it is equal to 15%, which is what we want to make, times V2. What I did was I put the 15% on the left, so it's 90 times 20 divided by 15. And my final answer was 120 milliliters. I multiplied both sides to make sure they were equal to each other, and they are equal.
Correct. Yeah.
Very
My
good.
final
the
answer
same.
is
Very
I
good.
did,
120
I did the
milliliters.
same.
So
We
Yeah,
got the
so-
same,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Actually, we got
Very
the
good.
same.
Very good. Very good.
But the
Very good.
20 ml, we are only working on 20 mils, ma'am.
Yeah, because they only have the 20 ml stock. That's why they like to see if you have only 20 ml of this one, how much you can make.
So you'll dilute it.
Okay, I got you. So yeah, we can still make 120 ml. That's
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
50%.
We complicated ourselves. I complicated myself about
Okay,
that.
okay, yeah, yeah. Just do that one. I will see because I'm a little bit in, little bit in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
doing the grade back and forth. So I'll look at that,
Yeah.
and if there is anything correction, I will send you back to resubmit it. Okay?
No
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. We'll continue then,
Yeah.
ladies
So
and
we are,
gentlemen.
90%.
where are we? 10 or 11? We're at
So we are
Okay, 90%.
11.
number 10.
10? Okay. Thought we did 10. Okay, 10.
You tell me how did you calculate? Because
I remember I said I do the V1, sorry, C1V1, and I got 7,000 over 100 equals 70. But I think Verna was saying something about the conversion.
conversion.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to convert
Conversion.
because you have to express your answer in microgram, right?
Yes.
So how do you do that now? Tell me.
Well,
I
me too.
just
My
edit my
final.
answer.
You have to convert your 2% milligram to microgram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about your microliter.
Okay, this is my answer, but I don't know if we are the same. First I convert the given, the 3,500 microliter to microgram, which is 3,000
Micro.
microgram. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 3,5 with 5 zeros. That's the equivalent of 3,500 microliter.
Okay, so 3,5 with 5 zeros. You know, I did that before.
It's 3,500,000. Am I right? Microgram.
So
Yeah.
you use, okay, I get what you're saying.
So
So what I
actually,
get is like, okay, I get the 2 milligram, the 2 mg per divided by 100 over 100, 2 over 100 is equal to 0.02. And then I times this one to microgram, the 3,500,000. And then I got the total value of 70,000 microgram. That's my answer. I'm not sure if to everyone.
Oh, okay.
it's different.
So it's the same
So-
70 that we got, right?
So you can convert microliters into micrograms because it's different unit. You can convert your microgram into your milligram to microgram, but you cannot convert your microliter to microgram.
Yeah, unless they're the same density. Or if
Yeah,
it,
it's different.
I don't
It's
remember the
different.
explanation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you
Snake,
can
Yeah,
do
for-
is convert your 2% milligram into microgram, so that way you can have your answer in microgram
okay,
and
so how
continue with
do you do
your
step by step,
Yeah.
how do you do that so I can get it step by step?
So what we did is I used the weight over volume.
Okay, weight over volume. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
So
V1.
yeah. So if you have your 0.002 microgram per 100 ml and then multiply it into 3,500 microliter. So you can also change your microliter into ml, so you can cancel out your unit, and your answer will be in microgram.
And what's your answer, Serena?
Let me just double check my answer. 2. Mm, I'm not really sure with my answer. It's 0.0007 microgram.
You express your answer like in the scientific notation.
So
Yeah, you can also
0.7,
do that.
yeah,
Okay, so
0.7 times 10 to negative 4.
I'm a little bit confused here. The weight is,
Yeah,
are
I'm
you saying that,
confused too.
are you saying that the weight is 2 milligram?
Yeah,
Okay, and the milligram, you converted it and it comes to 0.002
Yeah.
milligram, right?
microgram.
Microgram, sorry.
Microgram.
So you put 0.002 over, that's the weight, over the volume. So the volume, is that the
Oh.
3,500?
The
Yeah.
you said as an age you said the 2 milligram is 0.002 microgram. No,
Yeah, that's what she said, no?
no, microgram is it's a smaller amount.
So what is
So
it
1
then?
milligram is equivalent to
So you'll have 2 milligram is
milligram is-
equivalent to 0.002 microgram.
That's what she said, yeah. That's what she said.
hold on.
That's
Where
okay.
is- Uh, it's not. You have to multiply. So we have 2,000 micrograms.
So you
Because
times it by
milligram is
1,000.
times, yeah,
Yeah,
times
right.
1,000.
So 2,000, 2 times, so that's the weight we are looking for, right?
2 milligrams to, yeah, is equivalent to 2,000 micrograms.
2 milligram times 1,000 equal 2,000. And that's 2,000 milligram, right? No, just 2,000. Okay, so
2,000
2,000
microgram.
microgram, yeah. So the weight is 2,000, right?
Weight is,
And the volume would be 3,500? I don't know. I did it with the C1V1 and I got 70. I don't know. I'm not sure.
So
yeah,
so
that's
Sir,
good.
so Sarina, you did yours like you 2 mg
Yeah.
the 2
Over
mg
100.
times
Divide
Two
2,000 microgram
over
divided
100.
by 100 ml times 3.5 ml, and you'll get 70 microgram.
did you also multiply that one to 3,500
So,
Like
so
3,500
we need
UM?
to cancel out your ml. So you convert your 3,500 microliters into ml. So it will be 3.5 ml. So 2,000 microgram divided by 100 ml times 3.5 ml is 70 microgram.
Okay, sorry. Keep
Yes, I
repeat
got
that.
70 microgram too.
Yeah.
I got, okay, so you put what? What did you do? 2.5?
No. You put
What was the
your,
weight?
before continuing with your solution, you need to convert your given.
Yeah.
You have your given 2 milligram percent. So convert that into microgram first. And
And
then
what's the
also,
solution, Sarina?
so can I just share my screen?
Sure. No, you can just say it. You don't have to.
So it's like
So we converted.
yeah,
So
you converted to the mg you converted to become a like 0.002 gram, and then you
Oh, no,
divide
no, no.
100.
I changed my microgram and my milligram to microgram.
microgram. Yes,
Yeah.
that's the first thing.
Yeah.
2 milligram is equivalent to 2,000 microgram.
Also with your 3,500 microliter, convert it into
microgram.
microliter. I know,
It's
milliliter.
already
Milliliter. Okay, okay.
microliter. We
Yeah, it's
convert the
already.
3,500 to milliliters.
Yeah, that will equivalent to 3.5
Okay,
ml.
okay.
To milliliters.
And 2 milliliters.
Actually, I'm
Okay.
just asking Mr. Google.
Okay, so it would be, is
So
it 200 milli?
3,500,
2 mg.
what's
2
that?
ml.
Microliter.
Okay.
For me, I did
2
the conversion when
milliliter.
I get the final answer.
How much did you get, Yusa?
For me, I did the conversion of the microgram when I get the final answer. But I did the conversion of the from milli to UL while I do the
3 point, yeah, that's
yeah.
right. 3,500 microliter is equivalent to 3.5.
I sent the
Yes.
solution in the chat.
Yeah. And then, so we go for weight 2.
Okay.
Equals 2,000 microgram divided by 100 ml times 3.5 ml. So ml have been crossed out, and the value is 70 microgram.
100 times 3.
So you said
So 70
2,000.
microgram. That's
Yeah,
the answer.
70. We have the same, I think we have the same value, but different,
Yeah.
concentration.
Yeah. So it's microgram instead of the, microgram, but it's
Yeah.
the same thing. Microgram. Because how I did it, I don't know. I just put, okay, you know what? Let's move on. It's 70 microgram.
Let's move on.
Yeah.
Number 11. 400 microliter serum, diluted 9 ml distilled water. So, number 11, express in lowest common denominator. You know what I did here is to convert to microliter. Oh no, to ml.
We are looking for the ratio of serum, right? To
Ratio,
distilled
my
water.
answer here is 0.4 ml serum is to 9 ml of
That's
water.
right. That's right. That's what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I put
How did you get the formula, ate? How did you do it?
undivided by 100 times
So
400.
I converted the microliter to ml,
Okay.
and you just put the 9 ml of water. So the ratio is you just convert the microliter, 400 microliter to ml will give you 0.4. Might be wrong. Yeah, that's it. 0.4 ml serum is to 9 ml of water. We cannot put that in the lowest
Denominator. Lowest.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yeah,
I got
it says lowest common denominator. That's the lowest, I guess. Yeah. Number 12. Amina is the expert here. Number 12 is how much serum and saline are needed to prepare dilution of 1:17. So
Do you
the
ask
one
Amina to do it?
my solution, it's okay. She's hearing it. She's not in the mood, I guess.
Oh, okay, okay.
So and my calculation is total volume over A plus B. And my ratio is 1 part serum to 16 parts of saline, right? To make a total dilution of 1:17.
So total volume divided by A plus B.
Yeah.
I got 1:17 by, okay, go ahead. I'll tell you later. So
Yeah. Okay.
total volume divided by A plus B. Okay, go ahead.
15 mils
15 mils is, yeah, I got that one. But
over 17.
15 over 17?
Mhm.
15.
That's the first one?
That's the so you will get the value of 0.88.
882.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
I rounded it
so,
to 0.88.
82 ml,
so,
right?
okay, so the total, okay, let me go again. Sorry, I'm slow here, sorry. T is a T over A plus B.
Mm-hmm.
What is C?
No, there's no C.
The total value you said over
1
A plus-
plus B. It's a plus.
okay, okay, so what is over the A plus B?
Yeah. So it's 15. The total volume is 15 mils.
This one, I think the formula is just your original concentration is equal to your final concentration multiplied by your dilution factor.
Yeah.
So your final concentration is the 15 mils and your dilution factor is the 17. So when you multiply it, you convert your 17, you convert your answer to microliters or whatever they asked.
What I did mine, it's like this. First, I get the ratio is 1:16 because the dilution is 1/17, right? So what I did, 1/17 times 15 ml. And then I got the value of 0.0585 and then I times to 15. So that's why I get the 0.88.
There's a simple formula in your
Same
tutorial
thing.
that talks
Yeah,
about
Same thing. It's still correct.
Can I get the formula, please?
Because my volume is also 0.88.
But can I get the can I get the formula, please? I didn't do this.
Final.
I wasn't sure of this one, so can I get the formula for this, please?
Wait, what?
No, hold on. I think it's in like. You just continue.
Huh?
You continue.
I didn't get 12. I didn't understand 12.
It's the formula
Yeah,
of the final concentration equal the original concentration times the
total
dilution
volume.
factor.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Total
fine.
volume over 17, same thing, yeah.
So total volume over 70 over, I'm sorry.
17, yeah.
So total volume over 7. So, okay, so the total volume is 15. Divide by 17.
Will
One
give you 0.88.
equals 0.88. So
Wait, you guys got 0.88 by multiplying 15,000 times 1 over 17? I
No,
thought it was 882.35.
no,
Wait, what'd you
it's
guys do? What did you guys do?
the final concentration is total volume equals total volume over
Oh, okay, because that is
dilution. The
the
final
dilution
dilution,
factor.
which is 17.
so it's volume over dilution.
Yeah,
Of
that's right.
15,000 over 17.
Okay, that's all I need.
Yes.
That's,
So
that's
now
what
we
I-
are not done. We are not done there.
okay.
So we will have 0. The volume here is ml. So we have 0. So now we have 1 part serum. So 1 times 0.88 is equal to 0.88 ml serum. Then the 16 parts of the saline. 16 parts of the saline times the volume that we got, 0.88, will give us 14.08 ml of saline. The
So
question is, yeah.
So 16, because you instead of 7, okay, I get what. So 16 times what you said?
So 16, because this is the ratio, 16 parts of saline times 0.88, the value that we got.
Yeah.
The final concentration will give us 14.08 ml saline.
Dave, pasulat sa chat. Can you write down in the chat?
Okay.
Thank you, Ate.
Okay. I didn't
Wait,
understand this one at all. This one was out of my book.
Yeah.
Wasn't sure. 12.
Yeah, hold on, eh?
She's writing it in the chat, Amina. Sorry, Asenet.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to write it.
Thank you. I appreciate it because my neck is burning me. My neck is burning by holding it down so long.
Dilution. How can I enter? Oh, I'm terrible here. So 15 ml over 17 equals 0.88. Then the 1 part of part 0 times first times 0.8 equals, okay. Never mind about the 1 part of serum because the total is 0.88, okay? I'm just going to modify this to 6 parts. Oh, no, sorry, 16 parts of saline equals 14.08 ml saline. So because we have to convert to microliter, because the question is in microliter. Microliter. So 0.88 milliliter to microliter is 880 ml is equals to 880 microliter syrup. And 14.08 ml is equivalent to 14,080 microliter saline. So I hope it's okay. Here you go. So the answer, the final answer is 880 microliter of serum to 14,080 microliter of saline.
Okay.
So because we have the ml and the question is 12, express the amount of serum in microliter.
So 6 parts of saline. Okay.
We're moving on.
Yeah, thanks, Evelyn. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. That's my best answer. If I'm wrong, we'll all be wrong.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
look it over later.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So now we're going to 13, which is, how did I get this? I have percent by weight. 120 mils, volume per volume. And I converted 1,000 to the 1 liter to 1,000 ml. Then you will get 0.12. 120 over 1,000 will be 0.12 divided by 3/4. Converted to decimal is 0.75. So 0.12 times 0.75 times 100 will give us a concentration of 9%.
So 0.12 times 75 divided by 100.
0.75.
Sorry.
I converted the 3/4, 3/4 to decimal.
Yeah. So you said at the last part, you said 0.12 times 0.75
Yeah.
divided by?
No, so the product, yeah, the product will times 100 to get the concentration, the percent concentration, which is
So what
9%.
Your answer was 9%?
Yeah.
You point that at times 135. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, because first we converted to the 1 liter to 1,000 ml so that you can cross it out.
Yeah. 1 liter. Yeah. So you actually, so you divide 120 over 1,000.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, got it. Got it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Number 14. Oh, my number here is huge.
Mine's is crazy too. I got 1,015.38 gram. I
It's
don't know.
crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, mine is
Crazy.
huge. Anybody
So-
have anything different?
I did as well, but if I'm not wrong, and asked you to calculate 10% or how much drink does a child receive if the drink is 10% solution? So what I think they're asking is they're asking for 10% of the number that you guys calculated. I could be wrong. I'm not too sure.
Mhm.
What answer did you guys say you got again? The big number? What did you guys get?
My,
Five. It was 10.
I have something here in grams.
in gram. Yeah,
Because it
1015.
Yeah.
You guys converted the pounds to kilograms before multiplying by 0.65, right?
You have to convert it to grams.
Yeah,
Convert 66 pounds to
to
grams.
grams.
Yeah. That's what the first one.
No,
I
you convert it to kilograms because it's 0.65 grams per kilogram. So you
see?
multiply
Yeah, yes,
0.6.
it should be kilograms. Pounds to
Yes.
kilograms.
Yes. So you have to convert
Not
pounds to
grams.
kilograms, and then from there you multiply the number of kilograms that you get times
Okay,
0.65. I got
you're
30
right.
kilograms.
Yeah. So we have to
Yeah, it's not grams. It should be kilograms.
Yeah, kilograms. Yeah,
So pounds to gram.
kilograms. Pounds to
kilograms.
kilograms.
Okay.
Let's-
So
how did you work it out, San Diego? Did you use the
So
C1?
no, I didn't use the C1V1. So first what I did was I calculated pounds to kilograms. So what you want to do is you want to take 66 and you want to divide it by 2.2 because 2.2 pounds are equal to 1
Yeah.
kilogram, right?
1
Yeah.
kg.
So
Yeah.
So it's
So from there-
66. Okay.
over 2.2, yes. From there I got 30 kilograms, right? From there I multiplied the 30 times the 0.65 to get the dosage for the child. But after I got that answer, which was 19.5 grams per kilogram, or not per kilogram, sorry, just 19.5 grams, I multiplied that 19.5 times 0.10 because it's asking for 10% of the solution, right? I think
then-
that's how it works. I'm not too sure myself, but that's how I managed to work it out at least.
Let's
So you times the 30 by what you said?
By
Santiago, can you
0.65.
go over again?
Right.
Okay.
So you want me to start from the beginning?
Yes, please. I'm not listening.
All good.
Thank you.
So you want to go ahead and you want to convert your 66 pounds to kilograms, right? You want to go
Yeah.
ahead and you want to do 66 over 2.2. Your
Right.
final answer for that should be 30 kilograms. From there, you want to
Yes.
go ahead and you want to continue with your problem, and you want to multiply the 30 times 0.65 kilogram 0.65 because per 1 kilogram you need 0.65 grams of whatever, right? Now
Yeah.
from there I got 19.5 grams.
Hold
However,
on.
the question
So 30 kg. Actually, that's my
Times-
first, but it bugs me because of the gram. So I got sideline with that.
it's all
30
good, honey.
times 0.065.
0.65, yes.
Yeah.
0.65, and then from there you should get 19.5 grams.
Yeah.
However,
That's right.
I didn't stop there since the question is asking how much drink does a child receive if the drink is 10% solution. What I did there was I calculated 10% of 19.5, which gave me 1.95 grams. I'm not too sure about this last part, about the 10% part, but since
So
it's asking
now
for 10%.
you're right, because we have to so 10% over 100 equals to 19.5 gram
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
per. We are going now to look for the solvent. How much
Yeah, so-
drink? Yeah, we're looking now for the volume to be given to the child.
So 10% over 100 times 19.5.
Yes.
Wait. What do we do after
Hold on.
after the 19.5 again? Sorry.
You said 10% over 100 times
Over.
19.5?
Because we're looking for the volume.
Yeah, so 10 divided by 100 times 19.5.
Oh, it's not 19.5 over 0.1.
Wait, are we doing the
19.
C1V1?
I don't
No,
know.
percent by weight.
So are you saying
Oh.
10?
Yeah, so what I did was I just multiplied 19.5 times 0.10. That should give you 10% of the
Yeah,
solution,
okay.
which I got 1.95 grams. I'm not too sure if that's right.
Yeah, so it's
Divide
10
by
divided by 100 times 19.5. It will give you 1.95.
1.9.
5. Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah.
And is that gram? Or
Yes,
percentage?
that should be in
Yeah,
grams. Yes.
grams.
Okay. So it's 1.95.
Hmm.
Grams. Okay. All right.
1 point. What's your answer? 1.95.
95
yeah.
grams. Yes.
I'm having a different answer.
What you
I
got?
have to
So he
figure it out.
He said 10. He said 10 divided by 100
Yeah.
times 19.5.
Yes, and that should give you 1.95.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta look over this.
We got a question similar to this one, except for the last 10% part, but like around unit 2 or unit 3 of this module, we got some GTP questions. Practice on that,
Almost.
Rob?
Yeah, similar.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
didn't get the 10%
in
part
our
though.
finals, there's
Yeah,
example
the
the
unit
same
is
like that.
grams. That's the only difference.
It's a 10% part, yeah.
Yes, we
Yeah.
had this before, but instead of gram, we had it in mil.
That's right.
Yeah. I messed up with the conversion. That's what it is with me. I just skip over it. Keep going.
Yeah. Let's move on, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
15.
Okay, so the total answer is 1.95. That's it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Grams,
Grams.
yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Grams.
guys, which question are we on?
We're
We
number
are on
15.
15 now.
14.
We're headed on to 15.
Yeah, that's
15.
it. 15
Oh,
now.
okay. I didn't get
Because
to, I think I only did up to 10.
Okay.
If you want, I could we could help you out with some of the questions. If you need
Yes.
help on any of them. We're going through them right now. If there's anything that you have confusion on, feel free to ask us.
Okay, thank you.
So nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
I
Very
gotta
good.
help each other out here. These
Yeah,
questions are
that's
too
right.
hard to do alone, man.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
telling
hard. It's true.
It's
Yeah.
true.
We've been working hard. We didn't go for our break. We'll continue.
Yeah, let's
Yeah, I might as well continue.
15.
Do you want to get a break? You guys want to get a break?
I kind of want to get to, but if you guys want to go on a break, I'm cool with that too. It'd also be nice.
What do you guys want? You guys want to get a break, or you guys want to continue?
For whatever, I
Just
don't mind.
5-minute break. I need to go to the washroom.
just go to the washroom.
Okay.
5-minute
Okay,
breather.
awesome.
All right.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Washroom break.
25.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Stretch. My God, my neck. We're back. Yeah.
So, where are we now?
Number 5. Wait a minute here. Number 15.
Number 15.
Yeah.
This is quite, let's see.
I
So the
tried.
dilution, yeah, so in ratio, is 1 part of hydrochloric to 6 parts of water.
Are they asking for the ratio to the distilled water? Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 to 6.
Yeah.
So one
That's
part
the
of
number one answer.
yeah. So 1 part of hold on. 1 part of HCI to
L.
To 6 water, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got that. I don't know why I got 1 point. Oh, I thought it was the dilution for some reason, but it says this still water. Okay, go on. Yeah, we got that. I'm thinking dilution too much.
It's very confusing. And then letter B, again, we have the percent. How much of stock percent? So a percent by weight again, which is how much of stock? We have the 85% hydrochloric acid.
Do you use a C1V1?
Percent by weight.
It's killing me, Evelyn.
I know.
I keep using the C1V1 for some reason.
Yeah. It's not yeah, the percent by weight. I'm not sure if
What was your answer? Let me see. What was your answer?
My answer is 850 mils.
Oh no, I'm way below that.
Express your answer in ml.
Mine is 8.5 ml of hydrochloride to make 1 liter of final solution.
8.5.
What was it? I missed up on this one. So what was the when I divided?
Because it's 1 liter, you have to convert to
1,000
milli.
ml.
Yeah.
So you times that by 1,000. Hold on. The 1 liter is times 1,000. Yeah. So divided by 785. Where did I get 85 from? Where did I get 85? I messed up this one.
The 85% on top.
Oh, there you go. 85 times 7 equal C2 times 1,000. I put 1,000 over 9,595. I don't know if I did this right. And I got 1.6.
We're looking, Antoinette, we're looking for the volume of hydrochloric acid.
Okay.
What I did to letter B is like this. I get the serum first, like 1 times 0.85, which is it's 85%. So I convert to gram like 0.85 over 100 times 1,000 ml. That's why I get the 8.5.
Over 100 times 1,000, right? Or 100 times 100 ml, right?
Times 1,000 ml.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see the also.
Oh, so 0.85 divided by 100 times 1,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
You said 8.5. You're right. You're right.
8.5 ml of hydrochloride to make 1 L of final solution.
Yeah, because that's right. That's
because
right.
she's asking express your answer in ml.
Right. Yeah.
For 8.5 ml.
For me, I do it the long way.
Yeah.
I do the long way. That's correct.
So so it's the same thing with the volume over
like the way I did it is 85% converted
Yeah.
to decimal over 100 is equals to the X, the volume of the stock solution volume over 1,000 ml. I already.
Okay.
So crisscrossing is 100x equals to 1,000 ml times 0.85.
Yeah, got that.
Yeah, and then you over it with 100 will give you 8.5 ml.
Yeah, I don't know why I think C1V1 for everything, for God's sake.
That's the only thing that gels in the brain.
Sorry, guys. So it's okay. Once I get the formula right, I'm okay.
Yeah.
But when I don't get the formula, all right, good. That's all right. I got that. So B. So that means my C is wrong then if my B is wrong. So yeah. I feel drunk. So let's see how much water would be needed for the 1.5 liter final solution.
No, I'm wrong.
My
Bernard,
answer
can you
here,
please-
my
number 15?
answer 16. Oh, C,
Le-
15. Yeah, C. Okay. My answer here is like 6 times 0.85 because the
On
other part,
letter B?
like, yeah, C. We are in
Over
the
on
C.
letter C, okay.
Yeah, I get the 6 parts of distilled water because he's asking how much water would be needed to make 1.5 liter of final solution. So my answer 6 times 0.85 over 100 times 1.5 ml because you have to convert the liter, the 1.5 liter to become an ml equals 76.5 ml. That's what I did.
Okay, 6 times 0.85 divided by 100, you said?
Oh yeah,
6 times 0.5?
85
Oh, 85.
over 100.
And then what do you do?
Then you have to times the 1,500 ml, which is the 1.5 liter.
Mhm.
So you get the total answer like 76, 76.5 ml.
Times 0.85 equals 5.1 divided by 1,000. I want 100 is 0.51 times
1,500.
1.5, yeah. 76.5.
Divide by, so you still go back and divide by the 100 again? Oh, or multiply by the 100. Oh, no, I didn't get
1.5. So it's equivalent to 76.5.
0.51 times 1.5 equal. And then, oh, so when you put the 0.051 times 0.5, you said?
Mm-hmm.
And your answer is 76.5 ml?
Yeah.
I'm getting different. I'm getting 0.765. Did you divide? What did you do after that?
1,500. I know.
You have to
Yeah.
time it's like 6. Okay, I will repeat again. 6 times 0.85 over, you got the answer right? And no, over 85 100. No, 6 and then times 0.85 divided
Over
by
100.
over 100. Yeah, right. And then you have to multiply again to 1,500
the product will be times 1.5
Yes.
to get the ml. Yeah, you're right. Because it's the ratio, the dilution of water is 6.
Yeah, because we are
Times
in the letter B, we are looking for the ratio of the 1 part of hydrochloride, right? And for the
Yeah.
letter C, we are looking for the distilled water, 6 part.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Thank you, Berna.
Oh, okay, that's what you're saying. Yeah, okay. I didn't convert the liter. I put 1.5. Okay, good girl.
Yeah. Convert it to 1,500 ml.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Yeah.
My. It's training, eh? Number
It's
16. This one is quite. We are 0.8, 0.80%, 0.8%.
Thanks.
And 4 liters.
4 liters of 0.8%.
That's very little, eh? So the answer is, my answer is, so we converted again, that's 0.8% to decimal times 4 will give us 0.032. But it didn't say here grams. I think it's grams.
Yeah,
what is your
it's
answer
grams.
here?
Equals 3.2. Yeah.
0.032 grams of sodium chloride.
Yeah.
My answer is.
I was just doing that one right now.
My answer
here is
32 grams.
32.
Yeah,
32.
because you have to convert your 4 liters into ml, so you can cancel out your milliliters unit.
Yeah, 32 grams. Because what I did, like 0.80 over 100.
100 ml
Yeah,
times
times
1000
1.
ml.
Then you will get that one.
Oh,
And
I thought it was 4 times 0.008 and then
yeah,
times by 100.
No.
Yeah.
Sorry, times by 10, right?
No.
I think there's no need to convert because it's not asking about.
Oh, yes, the conversion.
Because
Okay.
yeah, if you're going to 0.8%, and you divide that 0.032 over the 4 liters will give you 0.8%.
Oh, I convert this to for ml.
So it could be right too, as long as you have the same percentage.
What was the answer you guys came up with? 0.032. Yeah. 0.0.
Yeah, that was my answer. But
yeah,
I
it's
think
the
the
same way
steps are
they do it
different.
though.
Yeah,
That is
everybody's steps are different.
If you will convert it
this
to
particular question is just the weight per volume. It's the weight per volume
grams per liter is always
equivalent fraction that you will use. So 0.80 over 100 is equals to the grams that the solutes that you are looking for over the 4,000 milliliters, and you cross multiply and your answer is 32 grams.
Same thing.
Same thing, yeah.
Because you have to like milligrams per ml.
You are overthinking it. It's just
per
your
liter
liters.
will be the same.
The volume of liters, just change it to milliliter, and that's 4,000 milliliter. Work it out and you get your answer. If you start converting before you start anything, you are overthinking it.
Yeah, it's true. I overthink it.
We are all overthinking.
Just doing a lot of converting. Since your heads are not hurting.
Yeah.
I'm tired
Same
of
thing. It will be the same. You will have the same answer. but
Yeah.
different units.
Right,
That's true.
right.
So the thing where what we did 0.80 divided by 100 times 4.
Same thing.
Yeah.
You will also still get
And you can do
0.032.
yeah.
So if you will check and balance, you will give it will give you 0.8%.
Yep.
Okay. Let's
0.8.
move on to 17 then.
So the answer
Okay.
is 0.032. Okay.
Let me do that one. 17. Okay.
17 ratio is just 1 part stock solution to 6 parts total working solution. That's my answer. 1 part
To water. To
parts.
water. Ratio of water. What is the ratio of the water to the stock?
Yeah. So I'm quite confused because it did not say here.
It's 1:6.
Yeah, 1:6 is my answer.
Yeah, one part of stock solution and
To
Yeah.
6
6
parts of
of
the working
total
solution, the
working.
total. 1:6.
Yeah, as
1 is to
Amina says,
6
we're
for
not
the
going to
ratio.
complicate.
Because it's not asking for the total, just the ratio.
Just the ratio, exactly.
Yeah.
Now we're going to number
I think that's
18.
6:1 because the stock solution is the
That's what I'm
concentrated thing.
thinking.
So
That's what
that's
I'm
6:1.
That's what I'm thinking.
6
Because
is to 1.
Yeah, that's what
Really?
I'm thinking
Okay,
because
let me
when you
check.
check the
Oh, right. It's the opposite
That's what
way
I'm
because
thinking.
she's asking what is the
Water.
ratio of
Ratio
water
of
to stock.
water. Yeah,
Right.
that's what I'm
Stock is
saying.
the
Thanks,
concentrated
Amina.
solution, and that is
I-
the one that is 1 part. So
Oh,
that's
Yeah,
wow.
you're right.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
Amina.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
I
That's why I
didn't
said
see
it's
that.
asking
6
for
to 1.
water. Yeah,
Because they're
6 to
asking for
1.
Yeah.
water.
Right. Thanks, Amina.
Thank you, Amina.
So it's 6
Thank you.
parts. It's 6 parts to one water.
We are not reading properly the problem.
Yeah,
Yes.
total working is correct.
So
Yeah,
it's
right.
6 parts. Hold on, guys. 6 parts
6 is to 1.
to 1 water. To
Yeah.
1
Mm.
water. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You have to be
6
careful.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, you just correct correct us because I'm not too sure also of my answers.
I overthink.
6 parts to 1 part.
Okay.
Okay. The next one, number 18. I did my C1V1 same way. But this is
You
not.
you love it, eh?
This is NG, and you have UG. So, hey, and you have, I don't know. Is the answer 2.5?
Hold on.
Yeah, let me do this one. I haven't done this one. Let me see.
We are on number page
18.
18. Sorry, no. Yeah, number 18. I'm confused here because it says
18.
nanogram percent, microgram percent. So I'm thinking now that we have to convert microgram to nanogram or nanogram to microgram.
Microgram, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not good at conversion at all. I'm lost with conversion.
So nanogram, microgram to nanogram divided by 1,000. Let's ask Mr. Google. Where's Santiago?
I forgot about him.
Nina.
Ask Mr. Google.
I'm so sorry. I just got back. I had my volume down. I didn't realize. I'm so sorry, guys. What question are we on?
18. It's more fresh for you, Santiago.
Oh God. All right. So for this one, I'm not gonna lie. All I really did was, you know how you have what is that, microgram percent? You have 5 microgram percent and 25 microgram percent. I just inserted those into C1 and C2 respectively.
That's my
So for if I prepare 50 microliters of 50 microgram percent, you would put that 5 microgram percent as the C2 because it's the concentration you want. And then for C1, you would put 25 micrograms percent. And then for 50 microliters, you would put that in V2 because that's the volume that you want, right? So you just have to solve for V1. At least that's what I did. I'm not too sure if that's
What is
the
your
right way,
answer,
but I saw
Santiago?
I got 10 microliters of stock and 40 microliters of diluent. I have no clue if that's right.
My answer is 0.01 microliter.
Unless this is off. Hold on.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Neither. You said, how much did you get, you say? What was your answer?
Pardon? 0.01
Yes.
microliter.
How did you get that answer? Would you work through?
For the C1, I write down here 0.005 microgram. I convert,
Oh, I see.
yeah, the 25.
Oh, okay.
nanogram.
I convert the micro. Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
Sorry. What were you saying? You converted the micro?
Yeah, I converted the 25 microgram is it percent, right? I converted to the decimal like 0.005%.
Okay.
I like
see.
25 over 100. Let me see. Wait. 25 divided by
Okay, I see.
Yeah, and I
Um,
no, hang on.
Okay, take your time.
No, the thing.
What I did was when I divided the 25, what I've been taught from like previous calculations is the signs cancel out. So if you put 5 over 25, the microgram percent automatically cancels out because you're dividing it from each other. So you're left with 10 microliters. At least that's what I think. I'm not too sure if I'm right though. But just
Yeah,
based off
I'm
like the
not sure
cancellation
also
of
my
the units.
answer.
Yeah. Just based off like the cancellation of the units, that's what my best educated guess is.
So you put 5 over 25, and then what did you do?
Sorry, yeah, so it's pretty much just C1, V1. So I did V1 equals 5 times 50 divided by 25. Since you're dividing 5 microgram percent by 25 microgram percent, that automatically cancels out the microgram percent unit, and you're left with the microliter unit. So that's the one that should, at least that's what I think. I'm not too sure.
Yes,
So
you're
that's the one.
correct.
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, you're
Okay,
correct. You
okay.
canceled out the microgram.
Yes, the microgram percent cancels out, so you're left with microliters. And that's
So,
what I did.
okay.
Just I
Yeah.
don't want to
So
complicate
yeah,
myself with like fractions.
we have C1V1 is equals to C2V2.
Yeah.
So we have 50 microliter of 5 nanogram percent. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how much you want to prepare. Yeah.
So yeah, it's equivalent to 25 microgram percent. And
Times V1, which you don't have, right?
V1 or V2.
V1.
So
you have V2.
we have to convert the nanogram percent to microgram.
No,
So
it's
that
already in micrograms.
we can cancel out microgram percent, 25, and
you're left with microliters.
And we left with microliter. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's what. Yeah.
The 5 nanogram percent is equivalent to 0.005 microgram.
Oh wait, you converted nanograms to micro.
Microgram, yeah, so that you can cancel out both the microgram percent.
And then you have to times to 50 microliter, and you will get
you guys are looking at
0.25.
you guys are looking at 18, right?
18 number. Yeah, number 18.
Isn't that already in microliters? Because nanoliters would be
Yes,
N, no?
it's
Yeah,
already
so you
in
wouldn't have to
microliter.
convert it. It's already a microliter, so it's just about plugging it in and solving. If I'm not wrong, I'm not too sure either.
No, they're talking about the nanogram to microgram.
Yeah.
Nanogram.
So that if
What did you get, Santiago? Was it 10 you got?
I got 10 microliters of stock and 40 microliters of diluent. And wait, where'd you guys get the nano measurement from?
convert it to micro.
Oh, is it when you guys converted
microgram.
it into a percent, into like a fraction?
So that you can cancel out microgram.
Oh,
both,
I see.
And you will be left with microliter. Yeah, microliter.
Sure.
I mean, we got similar answers. The only thing is just the decimal place.
Yeah,
You know?
I got
How did you get the
0.01.
40? How did you get it? Oh, you 10 by.
I
from
subtracted 50.
Yeah,
Yeah,
10 by
subtracted from
50.
50, and that
Yeah.
helps me get the rest. However, I think. Wait, how much? What were your two values? Your two fraction values? Evelyn, you know how you converted it into a fraction? Yeah, what'd you get? Like for the fractions.
For the fractions, well, actually, I did not. I just did it in decimal.
Oh, okay, I see.
Not fractions.
All right, I'm just asking because if we can figure that out, we can check to see if the ratio's right. You know what I mean?
Yeah, check and balance. That's true.
We can check if the ratio's right, and also, you know, if you have 5%.
Let's go. My answer is 0.01.
Mine is 10. I mean, it was very similar. It's just a matter of the decimal place.
Decimal, yeah.
I got 10 as well because what I did was I did basically V1 equals C2 over V2, right?
Exactly.
Divided by, so over C1, which is 25, right? And then I got 10.
Honestly, I think we should take Miss Moon's advice on this one and just think simple.
Yeah.
Given the concentrations.
The unit, the unit is nanogram, and we have microgram.
Where does it say nanogram in the question 18? I'm not.
Nanogram percent.
Isn't that you?
The 5.
Micro.
NG. The 5
That's
NG.
5.
That's a nanogram.
Yeah.
Unless I misread the question entirely.
Yeah, I just did the simple. I did the 5 times 50.
5 times 50. Yeah.
Over 25.
Oh, NG, yes.
Yeah.
Oh my
NG,
God.
yeah. So convert that to microgram first.
Oh no, I wrote the question wrong. Okay, hold on. That changes things. Oh, what was it 5 NG?
So Evelyn, when you converted it, what was your answer?
0.01
Oh,
microliter.
0.01.
That would make sense. That would make sense. Yeah.
You put.
Because we moved the decimal place over 3 times. Yeah.
So
yeah.
50 times 0.005 equals.
So
we got 0.25 divided by 25.
Okay,
0.01.
So you said 50 times
0.005.
Yeah.
Microgram percent, whatever. Over 25.
Oh, so you moved the decimal point out,
Yeah.
eh?
Yes,
Because that's why I get 0.01. I didn't move the decimal.
Yeah.
But I did, yeah.
Yeah, just ask Mr. Google. Don't think too much.
Did you say the 5 nanograms were in micrograms?
Yeah.
0.005?
So 5 nanogram is equivalent to 0.005 microgram.
Okay, cool. Cool. Let me just put that in here real quick.
Okay.
0.005.
Yeah, that makes sense, Evelyn.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I had
just like-
completely misread
okay.
the unit. Yeah.
So you said just see if I can figure
So
this out.
0 point.
So I'll put 0.005 times the 50
Mhm.
Yeah, 0.01.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
divided by, so that means the C2 would be 25?
Yes.
Yeah,
the C2
Over.
is
over
25.
25.
Yeah, so 25.
0.01
So
microliter.
equal, yeah, so it is 0.01.
Yeah.
We have
Okay, so that makes 0.01. How
Yeah.
much
here,
diluent?
straight, yes,
Zero
straight.
point
And
zero
then,
one.
yeah, and then asking also about the diluent. So now that we have the V2 of the concentration of the 25%, we will add 50 microliter minus 0.01 will give
Yeah.
us 49.99 diluent.
That's the answer.
Yeah,
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
49.99 microliter of
what was the
diluent.
second one? Sorry, I
So you
Of
just minus
diluent.
it from 50, the total
Yeah.
volume.
Oh, okay, so the one we had before, oh, I erased it. Divided by, sorry, 25, one sec, equal. I think that's, so 0.25 divided by 25, that's 0.01. And then the next part of it you said was?
Total volume 50 microliter minus 0.01.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Number 19, what's your answer?
You convert this
Okay,
into
here we go.
dilution. What is the dilution? My
Yeah.
answer here is first I get the ratio like 0:1, and then 0:8, and then 0:1 over 0:9. Because I add the 0:1 to 0:9 to 8.
0.1. Berna, 0.1.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. Sorry,
Yeah,
guys.
0.1
It's
over
point.
0.9.
Right.
Yeah.
It's
Wait,
point.
what was the
Equal.
dilution? Wait, wouldn't it also just be? Wouldn't it also just be like 1/9?
That's right.
I put
Yeah.
it. I put.
Yeah.
I
That's
write
right.
here.
That's what I
is
got.
It's not
1
1
over
Yeah,
over
9.
9 because
0.1.
0.1.
0.1. Sorry, it's like point
No, but like you
one.
could just reduce it
I
anyway
said
using
is
that
Okay,
1 to 9
so
dilution.
0.1
They are
over
not
0.9.
Yeah, right. It's
It's
0.9.
less than 1 and
0.1
9.
is different from 1.
Exactly.
0.9 is different from 9. So you will leave it at
Yeah.
0.1 over 0.9.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
Nice.
Right. I
Right.
put
They
is
are
two
not
because
equal
I.
to the numbers you are saying. Don't go
Okay.
and make
Yeah,
it
it's
zero.
right because I put is
Dilution
two
is
instead 0.
Plus the 0.1 and 0.9, none of it is equals to 1. So just leave it like that.
Exactly.
They are both
Fair enough.
decimals. They are
Yeah.
not equal to 1 in any way.
Because if you put 1 over 9, it's going to be wrong.
That's a different number.
Yeah. It's a different
entirely.
number.
yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see the decimal. That's why.
I thought you could like multiply by 10 and get away with like
No.
1/9.
No, no, no.
It
Because they
says
don't make up to
0.1.
1.
Yeah,
Okay,
makes
so the
sense.
next
'Cause
one.
if you
20.
Dilution is 1.
oh, but the patient
1
is
is
the
to
deadly
1.
one.
No, it's
What
not.
is the solution? Wait. Okay, what'd you guys do for this one?
We're in number 20, right?
Yes.
20, 20.
I'm just about to do it.
Yeah.
Multiplied
So
it by
20.
4.
How did I get this?
Oh, thank God, we're almost done.
You know,
Mine.
So yeah,
Oh, but the harder questions are coming up. All the ones with
20.
hilarity, I couldn't get
A
past
patient.
22.
So this one is quite easy. So we
Yeah,
got
once you
four
multiply
times-
by 4.
30.
4 times
Yeah,
30?
times 4.
Times
Times
4,
4.
yeah.
Yeah,
120?
30 times 4. Yeah.
120.
120
That's what,
millimoles per liter.
120
Beautiful.
millimole per liter.
Imagine
That's
if the
the
other
answer.
questions were this easy. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Number 21.
yeah, patients is
Mhm.
diluted 1 to 3.
reported to the physician. So what I did here is I added the dilution.
You added the, oh, what I did was
The
first I
3 plus
multiplied by
4,
3.
like
and
it's,
Yeah.
yeah,
I
1
multiplied by
is to
3.
7.
I multiplied by 4 first, and I multiplied by 3, and then I got
Yeah.
528 picograms per deciliter.
How many did you get?
528 picograms.
That's
per
a lot,
deciliter.
yeah. For me, I just added the 3 plus 4, 7.
Oh, I see. I just kind of went backwards, you know. They diluted it 1 to 4 first, so I multiplied it by 4, and then they diluted it 1 to
Mine,
3.
I
So
multiply. I
yeah, I
don't know.
multiplied
What I did,
the 1
because
to
it diluted to 1 to 3 to make solution. What I did is like 1/3 times 1/4, and
oh,
then
that's what you did.
if you multiply 1 times 1 equals 1/12, 3 times 4 equals to 12, so it's 1/12, and then I times the 44 picogram to get the
I just kind of
total
just did what we did on
total
20.
value of 3.66 picogram. I don't know my answer here.
Me too.
Yeah, I got 520.
I just did, well, I don't know if I did it, but I did the 3 times 44. And I also
that's what I
did the
did.
4 times 44. I don't know if I did it right.
This is
Oh, wait, I
our
did it the other
answer
way
with
around.
Atizen.
This particular question is a serial dilution. So
It is a serial.
the last concentration is weakest. So you will start from that last concentration with the dilution factor that was before it. Then you move to the next dilution factor, and that was what I did. So when you
And what's your answer,
to get the original concentration, you first work with the dilution factor and the final factor of the latest one, which was
1.4, 1 to 4.
that was 44. Is it 144 or 44?
44.
44 multiplied by the dilution factor of the latest. I think that was that's 4, right? So 44 multiplied by 4. Then that's concentration multiplied by 3. That was what I did.
That's what I did.
No, so you get the one. So you got the 176 times 3.
Then that's 528. That's what I'll write.
What's your answer?
528.
528.
That's what I'll write. I can't keep myself.
Yeah, I just pretty much copied what I did in question 20 and just worked backwards. I started with the most recent dilution and then the first dilution.
So first dilution is 44 times 3.
4.
Oh, 4.
Yeah,
and then
you want to multiply the answer of that, which should be 176 times 3. Because that was the first dilution that you did.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, 176.
What Brenna did too was almost the same.
Times
yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah.
528.
No, 528. Yeah. What Brenna did. Yeah. So, okay, I see what you're saying.
Okay. Thank you.
So 44 times 44 equal 176 times 3. 528.
Yeah.
Okay. 22. We're done. We can type in all our and then we will be.
No, you have one more page, Evelyn.
We have 22, 23, and 24.
Almost.
I have no clue what to do with these.
So 22, which is, okay, so the molecular weight was given, calcium is 40 and the chloride is 35. So we have to times that times 2, the chloride.
Yeah.
So it will give us 110 molecular weight. So the weight of the solution, we have that that calculation actually. It's quite weight of the solute. Sorry, weight of the solute that we are looking for is the molecular weight 0.25 times
solution.
Yeah, we
I
have
don't
already.
know.
So molarity times liter of solution times molecular weight.
So you said the volume of the solution times the molarity times the molecular weight?
Right.
Wow.
We have that, we have,
25 times.
yeah. I'm pretty sure that's the formula.
So volume over.
No, times.
So first thing you have to do, you have to calculate the molecular weight of calcium chloride. So you have 40 for the calcium, chloride has 35, but you have to times that times 2. And you will come up with 110.
So
that's the molecular weight of calcium chloride.
35 equals 75 times 2 equal 150 when you times it
110. 35
110.
times 2. Yeah, and then
Oh,
you
you only
add
times
them
in the
together.
35. Okay, you only
Yeah,
times
add them
it.
together.
Okay, so you only times it with the 2. Okay, times 2. Okay, so 1 second.
I've
So,
seen that formula before, but now I cannot find.
so 70 plus that. 110 equal 110.
So we're looking now for the weight of the solute. Oh, the formula is, so the formula will be molarity times 1 liter times molecular weight.
So 0.25 times 1
1
times 110?
Times 110 equals to 27.5 grams of calcium chloride.
So molecular times 1 liter times the weight.
Molecular, yeah. Molarity.
Yeah.
Given already. So the weight of the solute will be 27.5 grams of calcium chloride.
So that's the answer?
Yeah.
Wait a minute here. Okay, so after you get the 110, which is the weight, I'm sorry.
That's the molecular weight of calcium chloride.
Yeah, the weight. So 110 times the 1 liter, right?
Yeah. Times the molecular weight.
Liter times the weight. What's the weight now? So the weight would be, I'm lost, 25. Is it 0.025? Yeah, 0.025. So the 1 liter, is that a thousand? No, it's not 1,000. And what was the answer?
My answer is 27.5.
Yes, got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you really just times it the 110 to 0.25. Yeah, got it. Oh Lord.
I know. Yeah, because the molarity is the unit is gram per liter. And we have already the liters, so I'm just presuming that this is also gram. Because if it's in ml, the molarity will be in ml, we have to convert that to gram.
We have to convert the 0.25 to grams.
No more, no, we don't convert anything.
So the final answer is 27.5. What's the unit? Sorry.
Gram of calcium chloride.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope we're right, eh? Because I'm looking for the solution concentration here. It's a gram per liter.
Okay.
Also,
There's 23.
The next one, I got some big numbers for the next one.
These next ones I haven't even attempted.
This one is a tough one, you know.
Yeah, very tough.
Yeah,
It's more
harder than the
difficult than
exam.
our exam.
It's harder than the exam.
What, you got which one on the exam?
So use a
Now we're good. Number 23.
Yeah. Times 2.
So the molecular weight of a
23.
compound is 115. How much do you weigh if you want to make 500? Oh God.
Same thing. Weight of the solute is equivalent to just like before. It's already just like our calculation of the number 22.
Oh, so you follow the same formula?
Yeah, because it's already given the 115 of molecular weight of a compound is 115. But you have to convert the 500 ml to liters to get the gram.
That's 0.5. Yeah.
0.5 to get the gram, it will be 57.5.
Okay, it looks like these questions are not too bad. You just have to know the formula.
Yeah. But you have to, again, check it out, because I'm looking at the expressions. Yeah, the concentration is gram per liter for molarity. Confirm that and ask Mr. Google. Because I cannot find my notes now for the molarity calculation. Can't find it.
Okay. Molar weight.
Okay, I think I found it. Molarity is gram molecular. Yeah, okay. So it's okay.
Is it
Gram
126?
molecular weight? Yeah.
Is it 126.4?
What number? 23?
Yeah.
No, it's straight. Just a straight calculation, isn't it?
So it's 115 plus.
5 times 1 times.
We're still looking for the weight of the solute, so.
The answer 57.5.
0.5, yes, that's the answer.
Okay, cool.
How much? What is it?
The units 57.5. You just follow the same formula we did prior.
So you
multiply.
so the formula. Go ahead. Let me listen. Go.
Right. So you wanna multiply the total volume times the molarity times the weight of the substance, like the molar weight.
So you said 115. 115
times 1 times 0.5.
I didn't get that, sorry.
Oh, sorry, it's 0.5 times 1 times 115. The order that you put them in doesn't really matter. You'll get the same answer regardless.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm lost. Okay, the first one that we did, right? We plus
Mhm.
the CA plus C1 times 2. Is that the same one we're
Mhm.
following?
No, so we're on to 23 now, and it already gives us the molecular weight. You know how we calculated it for 22 and it gave us 110? Well, the molecular weight for this one is already given to us. It's 115. So it's just a matter of
Okay.
multiplying. Yeah.
Okay, I see what you're saying. So now that you get the 115, hold on. So 115 multiplied by 5.7.
0.5, because that's 500
Times the
milliliters
molecular
converted to
weight.
liters. Or liters, yeah.
115 times 5.7. Is that what it is, or is it? Huh?
Or just 0.5 and then times 1. Because, oh wait, no, sorry. Wait. Hold on. Sorry, yeah, so 0.5 times 1 times 115. Because you have 0.5, which is your 500 milliliters. You have your 1, which is your 1 molarity. And you have your 115, which is the given molecular weight of the compound.
Okay, I see what you're saying. The 500 milliliter changed to 0.5.
Yes, because we want to convert it over to grams, I think.
Yeah, got it now. I thought it was 5 point. Why did I say 5.7? Okay, I got it now. It's 0.5.
There you go.
So 0.5 times 115 equal 57.5. Right?
Can
57.5
you
is
please
what I got.
can you please check it Google about the molarity formula?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So just to confirm, what would the
In our D2L, we are given 3 molecular formula. Molarity formula. We have 3.
We have 3.
So the first one is molarity is equals to moles of solute over liter of solution. That's the first formula. The second one is molarity is equals to grams of solute over gram molecular weight multiplied by 1 over liter of solution. And the third formula is moles of solute is equals to molarity times liters of solution. So this one, that first one that you worked out, I just use the molarity is equals to grams of solute over gram molecular weight multiplied by 1 over liter of solution. So that means 0.25, right, is equals to grams of solute, which we are looking for, over the gram molecular weight, which is 110, right, multiplied by 1 over 1, because it's in liters. We are not using a milliliter, whatever. So I'm not converting. So that's 1 over 1 has cancelled each other. So we have 0.25. So we cross multiply so that we'll make grams of solute the subject of the formula to get the grams of solute. So that was the formula I used. So the grams of solute became the molarity multiplied by the gram molecular weight, which was 0.25 multiplied by 110, and that gave us that first answer. So you can look at the other formulas and look at how you want to use it for the second one. So let me call the formulas again. What?
You still get the 27.5.
Yes, that was how I worked out that first one. So look at the formulas and you can decide which one you want to use. So the first formula says molarity is equals to moles of solute over liters of solution. That's the first one. The second one is molarity is equals to grams of solute over gram molecular weight multiplied by 1 over liter of solution. And the third formula is moles of solute is equals to molarity multiplied by liters of solution. Those are the 3 formulas that we're given in D2L.
Yeah. One is our solute over liter times molecular weight. Do you have that too?
Let me see that one. There was one other one that they wrote. They wrote M is equals to molar, which is equals to moles per liter.
Yeah.
Yes, moles of solute per liter. So that one was used to, there was a particular question that we were given the mole per liter, and we're now told to look for the mole per liter of another, we should look for the number of grams in another liter of solution. Yes. So you will just use an equivalent fraction thing to get that one. So when you have put the ones, the values they gave you as moles per liter is equals to the particular mole you are looking for over the liter, which is now the volume that you are now actually looking. You understand? So you will use equivalent fraction to look for that one. So that one just went as M is equals to molar. That's how it was written, which is equals to moles per liter. So when you get the moles per liter that you were given, is equals to the mole you are looking for over the new liter that you are actually preparing the solution for, so that you can get the weight of the new solution you want to make. So that's another formula I have apart from those ones.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go back to D2L. There, Maris has on the chat. Molarity times volume.
That's right.
That's yeah, on the number 23. Yeah, 57.5.
I hope that helps.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's our answer. Straightforward, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our answer.
What do you mean?
Same thing. 57.5 gram of compound.
God, I feel like I'm pregnant with all this. It's so much.
Okay, we're on page 24. Sorry, page 24. Number 24. So now we have 0.5. We're looking for the weight of, it's quite straightforward. So 0.5 is equal to molarity is equal to solute over a liter of solution.
Yeah, is that 0.02?
Yeah. So the 0.5, we're converting it to liter of solution because the unit is per liter. So just 50 ml. What's your answer? I'm wrong here.
I just did the first part of it with the 0.02, but the second part, I don't know if there's a second part. I thought it was
This is the first formula. Molarity is equivalent to millimole solute over per liter of solution.
Yeah, that's the first part of it. So how much weight out of it if you want 50? So is there a second part of it?
No, that's it.
That's it?
0.00.
I'm reading too much into these things.
Times 0.5. Huh?
0.02? 0.02? Is that the answer?
My answer is different.
0.5 divided by 50, isn't that?
No, straightforward times.
Oh no, wait a minute here. What did I do?
Where are we now, guys? What number where are
24.
we? Sorry.
24 now.
My answer here is 0.5 over 100. equals to 0.005 times 50 ml equals 0.225 ml. That's my answer.
Molarity.
What did you guys? What
If
did
you
you get?
times 0.5 with
What's-
50, that's
Yeah.
equal to 25.
Actually, what was the first formula you said, Amina? Molarity is equals to
Yes, so I
mass
just used that
over volume.
first one that it gave. I mean, the last one that I gave that it said M is equals to mole per liter. So
Yeah.
that mole is the weight of the weight of
We were
the
looking
solid,
for.
right?
Yeah.
So I just did that. 0.5 is equals to the weight we are looking for over the milliliter. Now it's in milliliters. So that's going to be 0. You cross multiply. That's 0.5 times 50, and that's the weight. That's what I did.
Exactly. 0.0025.
Yes, that's
millimole.
25. Yeah.
25. Yeah.
Yes, that's 25. I got that.
0.5 moles times 0.05. We have to convert the ml to liters.
No, we are the volume we are giving is in milliliters. But if you want to go ahead and convert it to liters, you can change your 20. It's not even going to be in liters. That's the, what's it called? The moles is the weight. So it's going to be just in moles, or it may be grams.
I think it's going to be in grams,
That's the
right?
weight.
It'd be
It
like
doesn't have to- it
5.75
doesn't have to do
grams.
with the volume. The weight of the solute is not in milliliters.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in grams, right? So it'd be like 5.75
So you don't need to
grams.
convert anything. That's just 25 grams or whatever.
For a 0.5 ml solution, 50
just
ml,
moles,
you
so-
need 115 gram per liter times
just
0.05
straight up-
liters, right?
It says
Straight
molarity is equals to
0.5
moles of solute.
50. So that's
What?
25.
Yes, 25 moles of the solute. That's it. Because the formula says molarity is equals to moles of solute over the liter of solution. But here we are giving in milliliter, and we are not asked to convert it. And if you want to convert it, you can change it to milliliter. I mean to liters. But as it is, 50 mils is equals to 25 moles of the solute.
Okay. So 25. So the answer is 25 moles solute. Number 25, the last one. I did not calculate this anymore. What's the answer? So I just
25 gram or just 25 moles solute?
You have to add the atomic weight of potassium iodide. So 39 plus 1.7 equals. So the molecular weight of potassium iodide is 166. So we are having 500 mils of a 6M solution is needed.
I did this one, but I don't know if I'm right or not.
Is this the same one almost like 22?
I think you need 6 mole per liter times 166 gram times 0.5 liters, right?
What's your formula, Shabana?
For a 6M solution, 500 ml, you would need 6 mole per liter times 166 gram mole times
Molecular weight?
0.5 liters. That's the one that I used.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay,
It'd be
so
498 grams.
straightforward, yeah.
Yeah.
What was the formula?
Okay, 6 moles. The 6 given times the molecular weight, 166, times 0.5 liters. Converted the 500 to liters.
Yeah. And then you get the 498 grams.
Right. Weight of solute.
Let's do this quickly.
If we well, actually, Amina has already said it, the molarity formula. So this one is okay. So whatever is the answer for number 25. 6 times 166 times.
Mine is 498. I got
We're
498.
talking about using equivalent fractions. So you are going to say the gram molecular weight of the compound per liter.
Right.
So the molarity of that gram molecular weight per liter is also equals to the weight you are looking for over the liter that you are giving. So that is the equivalent fraction I'm talking about. Then you cross multiply and you get your answer. So you are going to formulate an equivalent fraction where you already have the gram molecular weight of the compound per liter. So you will now change your liter to milliliter because the second one you are working with is a milliliter. Is a milliliter, 500 milliliter, right?
Right.
So you are going to put your gram molecular weight of the compound over 1000 milliliter is equals to the weight you are looking for over the 500 milliliter that you are to look for. When you cross multiply, you get your answer.
And what's your answer?
So you know that it's written 6m. First of all, you are going to multiply your gram molecular weight by 6 because it has increased by 6.
Yeah.
So 6 by multiplied by 166, right?
Yeah.
6 multiplied by 166. That will be 996 over 1000 milliliter, right? Is equals to the weight you are looking for over 500 milliliter. So 996 multiplied by 500 divided by 1000.
So 996.
So your weight is 498.
So 996 times 5 over 1,000?
Yes, 996 multiplied by 500 divided by 1000. That's your weight.
498.
Yeah, mine's 498.
Yeah, straightforward. Like Shabana also, same thing. 498.
Okay, that was what Shabana got to, right?
Yeah.
Previously. Yeah, so you can see.
Yeah, that's what I got as well.
Yes, with those different formulas, just know those formulas and know how to put them together.
Yeah.
I mean, you can use two different formulas, but I used a very straightforward one. But the answer, I think, is the same for both the formulas.
Same thing, yeah.
Yeah, you can be given different values in different questions. So if you don't know if you cannot remember the value and you're just remembering one formula and it's not actually that thing, you can get confused. So it's better to know all the formulas.
Of course.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Okay. We're done with math. Hopefully we will get
about time.
It's about time. 12:33. We'll go now to page
Did you guys do the other page?
Yeah, we'll go all over so that whatever will be the grade, we will all the same.
Okay.
Everybody better get 30 over 30.
I hope so too.
I didn't do the B. I tried. But anyways, oh God, I'm tired.
Difference
yeah, okay.
of value from mean.
Oh,
So the values, I did not also do this.
Yeah. The quality
Guys
value.
need help with it.
Guys, so what did you get
Guys
for
need
the
help.
mean?
Yeah, I've
Hold on, let
done
me
this
grab
one.
my
This was the
paper.
one I did first. So the mean is
Yeah, same.
2.1.
2.14 for the mean.
We are the same,
I just changed it to 2.1. One decimal place, 2.1. Then my median is 2. My mode is 2. My coefficient of variation is 0.51. I don't know if they needed the percentage coefficient of variation, but they just wrote CV. So I just CV, which is coefficient of variation, is 0.51.
Yeah.
So you have added all the numbers?
I have.
-1.
I have done the difference of the values from the mean, each of it, and I have done the summation, and I have done the square of all of that. So the summation of the difference is 6.87.
Yeah, we're the same, Amina.
Yeah, 6.87. So the range is 3.
7?
Yes, that's the summation of all the squares.
Hello? Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, San Diego.
Yes.
Santiago, you're yeah.
Okay, I'm lost. The mean, I got 2.14, right?
Yes, that's the mean.
The medium is 2.
Yes.
And the mode is 2.
Yes.
And then the CV, I didn't do the CV yet.
The CV is the ratio of the, what's this? Over the standard deviation.
Over
What is your mean? What's your mean?
My mean is 2.1.
And your median?
2.
My median is 2.
Mode?
2.
Is also
2.
What is the standard deviation, Amina?
My standard deviation is 1.07.
1.07. Then how did you arrive to the 1.07?
So that was the summation of all those, the square of the differences.
Minus
over
1.
Yes, the n minus 1, which is 6.
Right. Which is 6?
Which is 6. So you find the square root of the answer, which is 1.07.
So
that's the formula that is at the top.
Deviation, yes.
Look at the formula that is at the top. So you find the square root of that division. That's 1.07. So the CV is the standard, the
coefficient
ratio
of variation.
of standard, yes. Coefficient of variation is the standard deviation
over mean
divided by the mean.
Yeah, and that 100.
0.5.
100, right?
Times
100.
Times
100.
That is percentage of coefficient of variation. I don't know if they needed that.
No, there's no 100.
Yeah, so I put coefficient of variation as it was asked. Then I now put percentage CV, which is 51. I put the 2 for them. I don't know the 1 because they did not put percentage. If it was percentage, I should have seen the percentage sign, right?
Okay, so
I just put the coefficient of variation first. Then I did the percentage also. That is multiplying my answer by 100, which is 51.
Okay, so Amina, are you saying that you put 1.07 over 2.14?
Yeah, I just used 2.1. I didn't add that up. I what's it called? I rounded it down, or is it up? I can't remember the word.
Only one decimal.
Yes,
only
I
one
used
decimal.
1 decimal place, 2.1. So the C coefficient of variation is 0.51. Now I went further to give them a percentage coefficient of variation. Just multiplying that same coefficient of variation by 100.
That's what I was saying.
So that's the one. I gave them the 2 answers. You get?
Me too,
Yeah.
2 answers.
Yeah, so I gave them the 2 answers.
Yeah.
Then the coefficient limit, I also calculated those ones. The first plus or minus 1 range is 1.03 to 3.17.
Yes.
The plus or minus 2 range is 2.06 to 6.
Hold on. Sorry. Hold on, let me get that. So
I did not answer this anymore.
Oh, what did you get here, Amina? The positive, negative to range. My answer here is
2.06 to 6.37.
Is that what you get for the 2?
Yes, the calculation is you do your what's it called? Your mean minus the standard variation. I mean
times
SD,
2.
right?
Did you
multiplied by 2.
2.
You will do it for plus and you will do it for minus. So
Yeah,
you will
right.
do 2.1 minus the 1.07 multiplied by 2, and you also do it for 2.1 plus 1.07 times 2, and that was 2.06 and 6.34.
Okay, what are we looking at? Which one are we doing?
Confidence limits.
Confidence limits.
And how did you do that? Sorry.
Okay, we have 3 confidence limits that we have to take note of. You put plus or minus 1 range. You will have to put the plus or minus 2 range, that's the second, and you put the plus or minus 3 range. So to get you are going to work it out with multiplication, get the range, with minus, and you work it out with plus to get the range. So the plus or minus 1 range is 2.1, which is the mean, minus the standard variation. That is the minus part of the number, the first confidence limit, right? So 2.1 minus...
You think I don't know what you did? You're still in trouble and you're still grounded.
I'm in trouble.
It's not you, it's my kid.
Okay, 2.1 minus 1.07 multiplied by 1. That's the first in the negative. Then you also do it for the positive. 2.1 plus 1.07 times 1. So my answer there was 1.03 to 3.17. That's the first confidence limit range.
For the plus or minus 1. 1.03 to
3.17.
Yeah.
3.17.
3.17.
Yeah.
So that's the first confidence limit. The second confidence limit is
plus or minus 2.
Yes, plus or minus 2, and you calculate it the same way. You say 2.1 minus the what's it called? 1.07 multiplied by 2 this time around. Then you will also do it for 2.1 plus 1.07 multiplied by 2, and that was 2.06 to 6.34. Then you also do the same for the third. When you do your plus and minus.
Okay.
Hold on.
Amina.
Yeah.
Amina, the first time when you have the 2.1 minus 1.07, right, times the 1. What, did you get 1.03 for that one?
Yes, that's the first. Yes, that's the
that
first.
That is in minus.
That's for the minus calculation. Then you will do it for the plus calculation, and you write the range. The number.
So 2.1 plus the 1.07. 2.1 plus 1.07. That's 5.27.
Must do it again.
Yeah.
2.1.
Yeah, something is not right. Yeah, 2.1
plus
1.07. Yeah. 3.17.
That is the answer I got.
Yeah. And then what were you saying after that now?
So you will do the same with 2 this time around. You multiplied it for the first confidence limit by 1. You will do the same plus and minus, but you will multiply it by 2 this time around.
Yeah.
So when we multiply it by 2, what are we looking at?
The second range.
Oh, the second range.
We have 3 confidence limits. So we have the first, that's 1 plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 3. So you do that same calculation, but multiply it by 2 for the second range, and then 3 for the third range, and you get the answers.
Oh, Lord.
Amina, what did you get answer for the second range?
My second range. 2.06 and 6.34.
2.06 and
6.34.
6.34. And the third range, sorry. Okay, third range.
3.09 and 9.51.
3.09 and
to 9.51.
51, yes.
To 9. Pardon?
No, 9.51. Not 9.51. So that's the third range. And the range of the data set is 3.
3. The last one.
Yes, the range of the data set is 3.
So wait a minute.
Amina, thank
So
you.
Amina, the 2.1 plus the 2.1 plus 1.07 times 3, how much you get for that? 5.31?
2.1 plus 1.0 times 3, 9.51.
9.51. Okay, my calculator is acting. So the first one is 2.06 and the other one is 9.51.
You said times 3, not times 2. The one of times 2 is 2.06 and 6.37. That's times 2. The plus and minus range for that one is 2.06 and 6.34.
6.34.
Okay, let me do it quickly. So
Amina, how did you get
2.1 minus 1.07 times 2, right?
Yes.
Times 2, that is 6.02. No,
That's not clear your calculator so that it will not continue adding from your last calculation.
Okay,
so that's what's happening.
2.1.
Whenever you do a calculation, clear it before you start a new calculation.
2.1 minus 1.07 equal times 2. That is 2.06.
Yes, that's the first range.
Oh, okay.
That's the first range, yeah.
And then the second range now
Clear
is
your
the
calculator. Clear before you continue calculating again.
Okay, so 2.1 plus 1.07 times 3, that's 9.
Times 2. You are doing the second range, not the third range.
Oh,
right.
Yes,
so
you are doing the second. Yeah, you are doing the second coefficient. I mean, the second confidence limit. You will do
it twice.
Yes, times 2 for the minus and then the plus of it. You understand? For the negative and positive. You will multiply it by 2, your negative calculation, and you also multiply it by 2, your positive calculation. That will give you the range for the second
upper
confidence limit.
Yeah.
So that would be 6.34.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So 6.34 for the second one. And then I'm doing it for the third one now?
The same thing, but you will multiply by 3 this time around. Positive and
Okay, thank you, Amina. Thank you, I got it.
Thank you.
Woo!
Thanks, Amina.
1.07.
We are the same answer except the second range and third range.
Is that calculator thing? When you are calculating, always clear the previous. Just clear it when you are done with your previous calculation before you start a new calculation. If not, it will continue from your last calculation,
right,
giving you wrong values.
Okay, so this one now.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna change this one.
Minus 1.07 equal times 3. So that's 3.09 for the first one. And then 2.1 plus 1.07 times 3. That's 5.31, right?
No. Bed mass.
Okay,
Bed
clear.
Your bed mass.
Yeah. Clear. Okay. So 1.07 times 3.
No, you calculated the 2.1 plus 1.07.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second.
And then?
So 2.1 plus 1.07 equal, and then you times 3.
3.17.
9.95. Right? My gosh. Let me do the other one again. So
it's 9.51. 9.51.
What's wrong with my calculator? Okay, so 9.51. 9.51. Okay. Let me do it quickly. Oh my gosh. 2.1 plus 1.07 equal times 3 equal 9.51. Yes, got that. So let me clear my calculator again and then do this one. 2.1 minus 1.07 times 3. Yeah, 309, 3.09. Okay. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot.
It is a lot. So one.
We worked so hard for this assignment, all of us.
Yeah, we
Cheers
didn't
to all
even
of
take a
you.
break.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're going to the multiple choice now. I think we all got this one.
We're overtime now.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay.
already
It's
So we
almost
12:50.
there. 10 minutes before we finish, but I think let's just continue for all of us.
Yeah.
Number 2, pre-analytical error could be related to which?
B.
A. Oh,
Transport.
where are we?
Delaying specimen transport.
Is that
A
right?
pre-analytical
Oh,
error
yeah,
could be
A.
related to which of the following? It's delaying specimen transport, right?
A.
Yeah.
A.
A.
Okay.
Next one is number 3, right? Control material provided by an external quality assessment agency will be A, tested as a blind control along with patient samples.
That's what I got. But
Right.
it's also tested, tested repeatedly throughout the day. Because it's an
Alternative have external quality assessment though. It's external. It's not in the lab itself. That's why it's blind control along with patient samples. It's like, I mean, I did my research. This is what it showed.
Okay.
But you can, I mean, can we highlight 2?
I think you might right. What did you get, Evelyn?
Letter A also.
Yeah, okay. Because I ticked them both. Okay, you might right. Okay, go
It's
ahead.
blind control. Ensure an adequate QC program.
I got A. All control targets should be within the patient's normal or a reference range.
I got that too.
Okay. Which of the following is the correct equation for calculating percentage CV? I got A.
Yeah.
Also, this
As
is the
divided
one
by
with
the
the
means times
coefficient.
100. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one we were looking at.
Yeah, that's correct.
And then the other one is A again.
68.
No,
yes.
the bracket labeled A represents B, 95%.
Oh, this is 68%.
But it's minus
It's
15.
minus in positive.
Exactly. 15?
No, not 50.
We're doing the 6,
It's
right? The
1S,
bracket labeled A.
1S, and then 2S from the other side. -2, positive S. The first
the
one with the bracket
68%.
is -1S
It's the
and positive. So
Don't
it's
confuse
68
yourself.
confidence.
It's 68%. This is just the first
A.
confidence
Yeah,
limit,
it's A.
second
A.
confidence limit,
A?
and third
Okay.
confidence limit. That
Right.
is the first confidence limit. That's 68%.
I'm no longer
I don't know why
thinking.
you are looking
Right.
at all these values. It seems your heads are not hot, oh. Just look at the graph. Look at where everything is. 68%, simple. You are saying negative 5. That is the first line for
Right.
confidence limit. I look at the graph. I remember it's the Gaussian curve or whatever they call that thing. I know that the first values are the
Gaussian curve.
68. The next one is 95. The next one is 99. I'm not looking at whatever value that is on there.
That's
I
how I
can't
look
be
at it
thinking
too.
too much. You people, you have extra space in your head. Oh.
Okay, letter A.
That's
You
all?
all agree? Letter A?
That's A.
Yeah, that's what I have. That's what I got. Because I
Yeah.
remember it so
Yeah,
much.
it confused. Actually, it confused you a little bit because it's the closest one.
I wasn't
Plus
even
or
looking at the
minus
graph.
1.
I said A,
Yeah.
I see A,
A.
and I just put 68. Because I remember
7.
it.
Letter B.
A.
I put
Letter
A.
B. 95%.
Oh, that's
Oh, it's
the
letter B. B. That is B.
Yeah, it's the second one. That's the second
Letter
one.
B. Yeah.
That's a B.
So the first one is 68. The second one is 95.
Yeah.
Right.
B. Plus or minus 2.
Yeah.
Factors were included in the labs.
Which are the following? I put D, preventative maintenance of
did that
instruments.
Did that too.
Will not be included in lab quality assurance.
Yeah, we don't maintain instruments.
Preventative
Not
maintenance.
included, not.
No, we do that. Because the preventative maintenance is like you are cleaning a water bath.
C.
Okay, so scheduling for staff.
The following factors would not be included.
Would not be included. The
Specimen-
scheduling of staff is not part of the quality assurance.
No, but it's
What
like
is your answer? What is your answer here?
preventative maintenance of instruments.
What about you, Ate?
C.
No,
My
but
answer?
it's not what we do.
Yes.
It's laboratories Q&A
Scheduling.
program.
Mine is scheduling office staff too.
Yeah. Because quality assurance, we do also
We do the
like
specimen collection and
yeah,
But
like the
do they
water
teach
bath.
us how to? I think they don't teach us how to do maintenance of instruments. It's a Q&A
This
program.
quality assurance is not
It's
about
part.
what we do. This
Yeah,
is about
it's
of
a
the
program
QAs.
that you
it's
do. That's why I
about
feel like
the
it's
procedure
preventative.
that the lab takes to make sure things are put in place.
Yeah, so that's why I put
So
D.
it's
but
not
I
about
don't-
us. So don't look at it from that
That's
perspective.
why I'm saying also it's not about us. It's not what we have to do because we already thought that this is a laboratory Q&A program. It's you know.
But that's part of quality assurance in the lab. It's
But
part.
I don't
We
know
have
if
the
they teach
equipment
you,
and the
right?
12 QSE. We have the equipment.
Accuracy of
Yeah.
precision.
And that is part of the equipment.
Okay. I don't know. I
Preventive
put D.
maintenance. Like yeah, we do. Yeah, it's part of the 12 QSE. You
Yeah,
can read it.
the instrument.
Yeah. We are going to clean the water bath. We are going to disinfect the water bath is the classic example.
Which of
The
the following
dry bath.
monitoring factors would not
Yeah.
be included? Yeah, would not be. I choose here A.
Number 9.
Which of the following are not considered part of an
I would say analytical phase. Here we go again.
Wait, are we doing number 8 or 9 now?
9.
I put procedural manuals. Which of the followings are not considered part of the analytical phase?
Analytical.
Yeah, I have it right here. Hold on.
I don't have an answer here too.
I put procedural manuals.
Analytical.
Minus C.
Okay, analytical phase is, let me just see. I'm looking at
Let's
it
see.
here. Ignoring
It's the last
AI.
one.
I think it's letter D.
My
It's
answer
the
here
last
is
one.
D.
It's specimens
D.
preservation during transport.
Preservation during transport.
The last
You
one.
can base your answer
Because
in
it
the
was
workflow in the
pre-analytical.
D2L.
It's the last one.
DTL.
Yeah, you can see there.
Oh, what's the answer?
D.
D. Dog.
Specimen preservation during transport.
Transportation is the pre-analytical phase.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Yusra.
it's D.
You're right. Yeah. Oh, for the procedure, yeah.
Preservation during no, but D means specimen preservation. That means we do make sure it's preserved properly for it to
No,
go
no,
through
it's
transportation,
during
right?
transport.
It's
It's
during
and
transport.
pre-analytical. It's
Well,
under
yeah,
pre.
yes, this is the pre-analytical phase. Transportation of the specimen. It's not including in the analytical phase.
What is specimen preservation though? Like the preservation part is putting me off, but okay. We'll just put D for now and see.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
next
I
one
think
is
we're
what?
good.
Yeah.
Number
Do you guys-
13.
the
that's
accuracy is the
What is the
value
definition of accuracy?
closest to the, yeah.
Value
What was that?
is to the true or accepted value. I put the accuracy refers to how
B,
close.
right? B.
Closest to the true value.
Yeah, that's what I put.
B.
No, we're doing 10, which is what is the definition of
10.
accuracy?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, I got
Precision
that.
is
It's measure of how
It
close
indicates how close
series of
repeated
measurements
measurements are.
closeness to the true value, yeah.
Yeah. 12 quality system essentials and explain what they are.
Oh
The
shoot.
12
Okay.
quality system essential key components.
Organization, personal, equipment,
That's right.
purchasing and inventory, process control, information management, documents and records, all of those.
Yeah.
Don't,
And
okay, let me
they
see.
need an example of them, so I have to do that part, the example part.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we have to know for the from the D2L.
Yeah, so 30 now.
Median is the value has an
Is that
equal.
number, is it B?
has an
as
equal
in
number of
equal?
a value above
Yeah.
and below, so it's on B.
B, yeah.
Yeah. Define and give the 4 steps to risk management. Risk minus risk management involves identifying, assessing, controlling, and monitoring risk in order to minimize the impact of potential events on an organization.
What?
No, it's the 4 steps.
You have to
Identify the
put the 4
risk,
steps.
the risk.
Identify, assess, treat,
Controlling and monitoring.
and
Yeah.
monitoring.
We
Yeah.
have this on D2L.
We have this in the exam, like
Yes.
identify the risk, treat the risk, educate
Yeah.
employees and patient, and evaluate what needs to change for the future.
That's right. It's
That's
in
the
the-
answer.
But they need an example too. So, define and give. So you gotta
No, only the definition.
definition.
And yeah,
all.
that's
Define and give 4 risk management. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the other one is pre-analytical, analytical, and post-analytical. That's a 3. And then
Yeah. Examples like
15,
I put specimen collection identification, then the second one I put conducting laboratory test, and then the other example I put reporting and interpreting test results,
Yeah.
like pre-analytical, analytical, and post-analytical.
Now we
Yeah.
have to type it.
we have this in the D2L, so we can just
Yeah, it hasn't
choose which
Exactly.
example
But I mean,
you want
that's
to
what
choose.
I put as a example for
That's
you.
right.
Right.
But
Yeah.
I don't know how to paste and copy from the D2L, so I keep typing my fingers.
You know, because
So you
of
can
balance-
right click, use your mouse, right click, and then you have to highlight the words.
You have to highlight it, and then
Yeah.
click it. It gives you an option to either cut it or copy it.
but
So you
how-
can't cut
how
it,
do
but
you-
you can copy it though.
Yeah, but
As
how?
in it's better to just write down. I'm
Yeah,
going to
write
write down
down.
because otherwise it will take me 2 hours to type in, and then I will lose it. Just
I
write down
usually
your
just
answers
copy and
on
paste.
a
but
paper
yeah.
and take a screenshot.
But Miss Mumum said she wants it in like.
You can also. You can.
Okay.
I'm not going to.
Yeah,
do it
because
in
my
Word.
fingers,
No.
but for typing, my fingers are paining me like really hard.
Yeah.
So that's
I'm
why I
not going
said,
to do it.
okay, all right, so that's good. The 16 is pre-analytical, and then we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Ugh, thank God.
I'm gonna need some help when I'm sending it because I don't know how to kind of when I finish. But anyways.
Mhm.
No worries. Let us know.
Yeah, when I finish like all my answers, typing them out in I don't see like what I download and I put in my answers, but I don't know how to send it from here.
No problem. Let us know. We can help you out.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, good luck.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you for today.
Thank
I mean,
you.
I have one more question. Sorry about the range. What is the range did you get in the standard deviation
Yes.
for the
That's
range? 3.
range is just the highest number minus the lowest number in the data distance. So 4 minus 1, that's 3.
No, 3. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You
Oh,
start
well.
from the highest one, right? Then you minus the lowest mean.
3.
Am I correct? I mean,
For the standard deviation?
No, as in the group of data sets, you look for
Data
the highest data range and the lowest, then you subtract, and that's the range of the data set.
Yep, copy. Thank you, Amina.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I lost there. No, honestly, I finished with it. I know I gotta go back. Yeah, but I see what you're saying. So but
I have to I have to go over because I did not go over also.
yeah, I have to go over it.
Deviation.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll get it. Don't worry. I'll get it.
Yeah.
Because I thought we finished it, but anyways, I'll get it. Don't worry. All right.
That's right.
Take care.
Guys, take
Oh,
care.
oh, here it is. Sorry, here it is. The range.
Eh.
Okay, the range is so the range of this. So the value, right? The value. I gotta go over this because I didn't do the range. Oh God.
Okay.
What did you guys get for the range? Sorry, I didn't do the range. I thought I did it.
Yeah, me too. I'm quite confused, so I have to go over the mean and the standard deviation. Because even if Amina I'm saying this and that, and it still did not get it to my brain.
Yeah, I need the range.
But I'm writing down, though. I'm writing it down.
So what did she say for the range? What did Amina?
It would be much better if Amina, okay.
The range is 4 minus 1, which is 3. The highest number, the largest number in the data set is number 4. Look at the data that you were given.
Yeah, got it.
The data set, the highest number or the largest number is 4, right?
Yeah.
And the lowest number is 1.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 minus 1, 3. That's the range.
Okay, so highest to the lowest. Okay, thanks. Highest minus the lowest. Okay, thanks, Amina.
Yeah. I'll try to do it in Word. My answers. And see.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that too.
Yeah.
4 minus 1 equals 3. Got it. Okay. You know, I missed that question. I didn't even see it because I was so much into the one talking about with plus one minus 1 plus 1 kind of thing. Yeah, I didn't even see that one. All right, so let me start. Do my typing.
Yeah.
A lot of typing, all the personals, all the, where did I put it? Angle off.
Okay, bye guys. Bye.
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 Happy typing.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, now it's the typing part.
Yes.
I thought no one no one wants to leave.
I have to finish up.
Yeah.
I have to
Okay,
leave.
yeah, I have to type too. Okay, bye now.
Okay. Bye,
Happy
guys.
weekend. Happy
Yes.
Victoria Day.
Happy
Thank
Victoria
you.
Day,
Happy Victoria
everyone.
Day.
Thank
Yes.
you
Yeah,
for
you
all
everybody.
your
It's a long weekend. Oh.